is the meaning of this?
Come here, come and answer register. Start here.
What is the meaning of this one now? What kind of entrance is this one?
Shut up your stupid mouth. You should be ashamed of yourself. You don't have sense.
Me?
Yes, you. Your ancestral grandfather, animal. So you have the guts to collect money from our sister. While we are here languishing in hunger. Are you mad? Don't you have sense? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Between the both of you, who is supposed to be giving who money? I wonder who.
I beg both of you, in the name of God Almighty, to politely walk out of this compound before I lose it. Oh.
It is that politeness that will kill you there. Listen, we are not leaving this compound until you give us the money our sister gave to you.
See, before I open these eyes that I close, I want both of you out of this compound.
Why are you there? Are you mad? You want me to finish you?
Sorry.
Where's the money my sister gave you?
Get out of here!
Where's the money my sister gave you?
What?
I say where's the money my sister gave you? You want to die?
It's okay. It is in my pocket. It's in my pocket.
Which of the pockets?
The right one. The right one.
Sister, what? Have you seen the money? Wait, I'm still doing
this thing people are doing is nonsense. So.
You see this thing there? I wish it on your head. Which of the pocket? There is no.
Wait. Stand up. Let me help you.
Stand from Mokafo. I've seen the money. You've seen it? Wait, let me count it. Count it. Make sure it's complete, oh.
You see this nonsense you people are doing?
You want me to put some inside your mouth? Idiot. Family 2.2 big for nothing. This one. Is it complete?
You see this nonsense?
Try this nonsense again.
You will pay for it. I promise you both. You will pay for this nonsense.
Shut up! Come, let's go. You're not ashamed taking money from a woman.
Evil girls. Nonsense! You see this thing both of you did. You will pay for it. Jesus. Where I prepared to go. I have to go and change again. I feel thunder that will fire both of you. Nonsense.
You called? This one, you both are looking so fierce. I hope you haven't gone out to create trouble.
Which one is gone out to create trouble?
Oh.
If fighting for what rightfully belongs to us has become gone out to create trouble, yes indeed, we have gone out to create trouble. Bam!
Fighting for what is rightfully yours. Please, what is it that is rightfully yours that you went to collect?
Hey, Anajukwaju. Listen, we went to collect from Caesar. What you gave to Caesar, exactly. That belongs to Caesar.
Please, who is Caesar?
Here.
Listen, we went to collect the money you gave to Oga Silas.
Simple.
Instead of us, your sisters. You what? You went to forcefully steal from Silas?
It is called SPRO. Sisters Protection Rights. We did not steal. We went to collect. Politely.
Papping. What's that supposed to mean? Somto? Ebele?
And you go do first though. You go just now back him there first. As big as you are, as matured as you are, you allow that good for nothing Camry 2.2 boy to be brainwashing you with love. Adam, for that matter.
Yes.
Listen, we your sisters. We haven't eaten since today.
Look at the way I'm getting lean every day.
Instead, you took your hard-earned money to go and give to Adam. Nah, see, I don't even understand.
Why are you telling her I had money now? Isn't all of us that did the work?
Nah, sister, just you go do first. They say blood is thicker than water, but your own water is thicker than blood. I've never seen.
Somto. Ebele. Bamianaka now.
Does this place look like stop and check?
Don't even try me. Don't try me. Bamianaka now.
Never. I will not try so that you go and give it to Adam. It's not possible. Listen, it has entered into Caesar's pocket and that is where it will remain.
Somto and Ebele, please. You guys are really getting on my nerves and I can't take it anymore. Give me that money now.
You're getting on our nerves too. Please, I am hungry. Let's go and eat, abeg.
Ada, you don't have brain, no. You see this your beauty is for nothing. That shameless boy that has nothing to offer. You're fighting your sister. Please.
I am hungry. Let's go and eat.
Let's go.
Where do you think you're going to? Where do you think I don't want to hear that you don't sell anything tomorrow. I don't want to be hungry tomorrow. There is no money she has eaten it. She went to pass Adam's place for come here. Don't try yourself, oh. Hey, I don't want to be hungry tomorrow.
Like that boy but I don't even understand this kind of nonsense.
Come back and pick that thing out.
Hey, can you imagine?
Silas! Silas! Silas!
Hey, Silas, I'm really sorry. Hey?
Okay,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. How are you feeling now? I'm sorry. They told me what they did to you. I am so sorry. I don't know how God punished me by giving me this too as a sister. I am really sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. After all, I'm the one that's supposed to be providing for you, not the other way around.
No. I know if you have, you will do even more for me. Please. I am so sorry. Please. Don't take it to heart, please.
It's alright.
Have you eaten? Are you feeling hot?
Yeah, it's not sure.
So let me ask you. I'm so sorry, please.
It's okay. It's
Don't finish the water. Go and bring water from inside.
Ebele and something. Now let this be the last time you fight Silas again over anything for whatsoever reason. My money is my money and I choose to spend it however and whomever I choose to spend it on. Let this nonsense better not repeat itself next time.
Wait. I don't like it when you used to shout. Your money, point of correction, is our money.
Bam.
So in case you are talking next time, know how to talk right. Our money. Do you understand me? It's okay. You can do whatever you want. But first, you must settle us first. Before you give to another person.
Sister's allowance.
Settle you as what?
As your sisters now. Listen, we are your sisters, so we should be your number one priority. Do you hear me? That Oga Silas, he's old enough to fend for himself. Ogini this
You know it's very clear that you both are quite big fools. Ebele, I am just 1 year older than you. If you still think that you are kids, you have to better think twice. What is all this now?
Don't go there. Don't go there. Is it because we are even keeping quiet?
Nah,
What did Mama tell you? No. What was Mama's dying wish? Mama asked you to cater for us. What is the meaning of cater? That time we're going to school, they say cater means to care. Pamper us. You will pet us. You'll be rubbing our head. If I do, you quickly come and touch my back. You cuddle us when we want to sleep in the night. You will wash all the plates in the house. You will sweep the compound, wash our clothes, wash our pants. At times, if we cannot feed ourselves, you will feed us, give us money, you know, take care of us in general. And you are here complaining. Why now? Why are you complaining? Am I Mama? It's not Mama's dying wish that you do all of that. And you are here telling us nonsense.
Sweet mother.
See, when you are now trying to go astray, it is our duty to now bring you from that path that you strayed to and put you in the right direction. As our sister and the dutiful loving sisters that we are, it's our duty.
It's our duty,
yes.
To have your back.
Exactly.
Nemo.
Mama.
No, ma'am.
Mama.
May your soul rest in peace.
Hi, Mama.
Sweet mother.
You see, I am not going to repeat myself next time. This had better not happen again.
Yeah.
Meanwhile,
go talk want to turn nuisance in
this rice is not sweet. I don't know how you cooked it. It's not sweet, though.
Water.
The one we eat in the evening should be better. Let me warn you that because see,
fried rice.
I will call Mama for you, oh.
Turkey sauce, oh. Turkey sauce. That's what we want to eat. It's not this kanda that you eat.
I don't even understand.
I don't even understand this itself.
Momo is even very strong. I cannot even cut it.
Oh my God, you guys are being mad.
Oh, Mama, thank you.
Hey!
Chukusu!
Mama, thank you.
Chukusu! Your leg good. Sit down.
Your leg good.
But school no dey. I wan run am.
Oh.
Go dey share am. Oh, yeah.
People are looking so cheerful. Waiting they saw.
What do you expect? What do you expect? When you have a sweet elder sister
That takes
care of you.
Life is good.
So I don't finally take my advice. I don't dey.
You na our G now. In short, three gboza for you.
Aya!
Gboza.
Don't be there. You see, take my advice. Hold your sister for throat. No give am breathing space.
At all.
Make she dey vomit all those money which they make from that okpa.
I dey tell you.
1.5, 2.5, 5 million, 7 million. More we use open business.
You be correct guy. Give us.
Oh yeah, chop. See, chop this one.
No.
Chop this.
No.
Wait, now.
He be man. He no suppose dey chop meat.
But you need this one.
No.
No, be wetin I want. I don't. You suppose give me better thing. No be.
Well, better thing like me.
What you want?
You suppose know wetin man dey
yeah,
chop.
No worry. See wetin go happen. Be say, I go prepare porridge yam for you with piom inside. You like the piom? I be see the way they smile.
This evening I go come carry am.
Correct guy.
Oh yeah, first use one take whole body.
No, use whole body.
But meat no go dey sha. Just chop ordinary rice.
I want to chop meat, food without meat.
Now they tell you say if you want chop meat, just carry this one.
No, he no need meat for body. He a man. He's a man. No need meat.
My sister say no need meat.
I don't understand that English.
Chop this side. You be man now. You want
we go chop abi, you no go chop.
You don't need meat. Chop.
How your manager go chop food without meat?
You never get hungry. Chop food.
Na wrong waka.
Wait now.
No now. What you dey do like this?
Wait now.
What you dey? Vomit am. You go vomit am. No. You go vomit. Hey! Chop him! Come back here. Hola! Kill him!
Amara! Madam Principal, do you want to buy your okpa?
Amara, I've not been seeing your sisters in school for a while. What happened?
Oh, okay. They said they suspended them that the school is under renovation.
What? I don't understand.
That the school asked them to stay at home for 1 month. After the renovation, they can resume.
What? I don't understand. Where did they get such information from?
So, when they came back home, I asked them of their results. They said they were given automatic pass due to the renovation going on in school.
And you believe them? Wow. Let me tell you, that is, I'm sorry to disappoint you, that is a lie from the pit of hell. Their mates have been receiving classes. There is no renovation going on. Even if there is, the school will not abandon classes. Tell them to resume classes, or else they will not take their work.
Everybody dey wait. Otakene no ogbo. Ife dị mma amaka. Better soup na morning kill. Adam na-eru kwa. Ada bekee. Ada special. Ada obodo oyibo. Hey!
Hebel and Somto. What did you say was the reason that got you suspended from school?
That nonsense school. Don't mind them. Imagine that school, they're still under innovation. Can you imagine?
That school almost collapsed and break on top of children's head. It's God that saved us. You need to see the way we're running.
See, may God punish your mouth. I met with your principal. And she told me that renovation had nothing to do with your classes.
That one
can lie you.
Ebel and Somto, I work so hard to pay your school fees. The least you should do is to sit down and learn. Is that too much to ask?
sit down and study. The grace, you know they study.
I hawk under the sun, under the rain, just to save up and make you both happy. I carry all this on my shoulder like it's nothing.
Yes, I
expect you to do better than what you people are doing right now. But no, all you want to do is to roam around the village and constitute nuisance.
No, that one I will not take. The only thing we do around this village is to do clean up. We are the clean up crew. We clean up the whole community. Now
you both listen. First thing tomorrow morning, you're marching down to your school and pray I don't be the one to wake you up tomorrow morning.
Sister, which school? School that I've already collapsed.
I have told you. You better not even dare me. See, I've been keeping you calm. You better not dare me. I'll just give you a dirty slap.
My electrical up won't go to for school.
School don't collapse.
School good.
You want to go? You take us to hospital. You take follow my head. You give me
that stupid principal. What if they worry that man? Which kind of body even the paper? Actually, you gossip.
That one they gossip.
Hi. Say worry that principal.
What we go do now?
Wait, I'll think. Matt, I'll think for the both of us. No worry. Kai. That man don't fuck up. She don't fuck up.
They hungry.
No. Go. See the boat. Me.
Ada.
You want to enter there? You want me to break your head? Come back here. You know they think you go. They do. Play a Greek foul.
I the hungry. The person where they hungry know the reason well. No. Now you go give me food.
More think what you will tell her. Ada we go school tomorrow, but right now so we dey hungry.
We dey hungry.
Ada mo come.
Come back here. You get come back here.
Come back here.
Pianwa teacher, we did not come to this school because of you. Respect yourself. Oginidi. Are you both insane? Are you talking to me like that?
Who you be? No. Who you be? Wetin happen sef? We manage come school today. You no go thank God. Abeg come out for road make person dey go where they go till they do this one.
What did you just say? The first day you managed to resume school, you fought a teacher in the school. I will deal with both of you mercilessly. I promise you.
Madam Principal. Now principal you be. You no be God. You the chop bottle.
What did you just say? Wetin happen? If you had kept your mouth shut, we wouldn't have been here today. Madam Cho, and bubble and gossip. You went and told our sister that the school renovation did not affect our class.
Look at you girls. Talk. Are you not afraid? Talking to me with so much audacity. Are you crazy? Are you insane?
You carry something for face. You carry juju for face. One go dey fear you. Because I was just there, even they say, come back. See, you see this your two left hand there. If you dare touch me and my sister, what I go do? You see this your wig. I think I take rub this pot. Who be sonto? You know, see, you don't even go school. I be a baby, she be sonto. Baby, would they bounce? I don't know what they do. Where would they go? See this one, and this one side. No man, see, contact us now. See, respect yourself. See this your wig. This is your wig. I'll take a rub this pot. I take no respect yourself. This is the you go and carry wash back on pot. Wash back on pot. Come back here.
See, the kind of business plan that's in my mind right now is very huge. Like, it's very, very huge. Only if I have even half of the capital that I need to open up the business. In a couple of months, I'll be fine. If only money could respect itself, go my way.
I understand your feeling. I know you have good plans and even with you, don't you think you should start no matter how little, provided at the end of the month or at the end of the day, you see money. No matter how little. And then I'll also be saving from my home. When you add it together, you see that we've been able to save a reasonable amount of money. Than just sitting around and waiting for money to go from heaven. It doesn't work that way.
Hey, there is nothing for me in this village. You and I know that there is nothing for me here in this village. Eh? Oh, except you want me to start going to do, what is it called? Laborer. Start carrying concrete up and down. And the money that they will pay me there, the little amount they will pay me there will finish on drugs. You and I know that job is hectic.
Silas, little is better than nothing. It is. Like I said, it doesn't matter the amount, even if it's 1,000 naira every day that you're able to save every day. You see that by the end of the month, it's gonna turn up big. Just start somewhere. Start somewhere. I want you to succeed. I want you to do better. Start somewhere.
I know. I'll try. We'll keep on trying now. And see if something will come out. My baby. My love. Money will soon come so that we'll make it. So
you have to work hard for it. That's why I want you to work hard.
You know I'm not lazy. I will when the right opportunity presents itself. You know? I'm not a lazy man. I need to take care of you. My baby.
What is happening here? Leave that guy! Are you stressed? Bro, make a beat am too. Make a beat am too. Go try am again now. No school, no people. Are they crazy? Let them go catch them. I will catch them. Catch them. Run and catch them. Look at you. What are you doing?
Bye, Yoga. Oya, baby, hello.
Auntie, come now. I want my upper now.
Customer.
Don't give me upper. Don't tell one they wait for this upper.
Tell you na 10:30 now. It's supposed no.
I know now.
Na 10:30 I take the pass.
Your pass sweet. Unless I owe you on that day. Give me upper now. 500 naira. Then you take your change.
Okay. Hey.
say all true.
I just dey finish now.
Nah,
You want make a butter?
Sasa.
Woo.
This is all true. I know. We can miss you because of your hand.
So na market what don't they do now?
Yes.
Hey.
Sharp. Okay.
Thank
you now. Okay, who's there?
Thank you. Onyaba! Your premium over! Premium over!
Put for me, put 1,000 naira. I hope you go put Jara today.
Customer, I no even see Opa buy for market.
You don't come again.
Hey.
Other people, they give them Jara. You never give me
I
Jara.
no give anybody Jara. Opa no dey market again. You know say this government, this government, e reach everybody. E reach everybody. The suffer reach everybody. Woo.
Who be big ones now? This one small.
Customer, if e big pass like this, na im be garri you wan chop o.
Madam, one bag. Come.
The big one, so.
Hope you all never had money. Hey, Bia, come here. Hey, I don't catch you. No be you be Dorothy. See your full life, no be you be this.
So you get mind. No, Ododo reach you get mind, they talk to us anyhow because teacher cough. Abi? No, teacher talk, you get mind, they insult us. Today you go collect.
Why are you both stopping me here? You should have waited in school if you were so tough.
Hey, you know linguistics.
You guys think you are tough, ba?
You dey speak linguistics.
You know tough, Abi?
You say we know tough. We know tough, Abi? Hey, kill you, we wachuku, Abi?
Leave me alone. Leave me
You know say you tough. You when you tough, now today you go know say
So you
no be every message when they say small pikin, you know be in the carry the waka. They go come back. Say we no talk. We no talk. Collect it back. Collect it back. We no talk. We no talk. Hi. No food. Which kind of thing be this one now?
What are you going to do now?
Hi.
She don't dey come, make we confuse her. Oya. Ada onye zele mpampara. Ada onye zele mpampara. Ada wegi na.
Hey! Welcome,
You both are hungry, obviously.
Bam.
Hi.
Hunger won't kill my enemy.
How you think no?
I no go know.
All the book we learn today, our belly suffer.
I dey die like this, so. But that's why you no cook now.
Please, how was studies today?
Fine, no.
You go where? It too makes sense. Say our teacher, she sabi teach. She sabi teach, I swear. She teach us quadratic equation.
Equation, abi equation.
Sleep of teeth.
Equation. Ada, and there is a quadrat and there is equation. All of them join. See, Ada, immediately the teacher told me to find x. Very simple. Just to turn me like this, you take the x like this, one hand. You know they had me to find x at all. Yeah.
Okay, at least you both are paying attention.
Yes.
Oh yeah, I did not cook anything, no. I left very early. You know how it be now. So we have to go inside and prepare something.
Ha!
We have to do it together.
I
You cannot be stressing only
I no
one.
get strength. I no
With
get
this hunger,
strength.
that
mean
person
you
go
don't
come
have
take,
strength?
they go, they
We
go.
have to cook together. If you don't want to cook together.
Where are those idiots? Where are those mortals?
Mrs. Ejike,
What's your name? Amarabi?
why are you shouting?
Hey, I didn't come here for you. I came because of those urchins. I want you to go in there, bring them out. Come go Haji Apajamano. I will beat them. I will deal with them myself.
Why should I do that?
Besides, if you want to talk to me, you speak to me on a plain language.
So I should be celebrating after all they did to my younger sister. They beat this girl mercilessly. All you need to do, all you need to do is to go in there and beat them.
Wait, was it Somto or Ebele that did this to you?
Both of them. Soguto is Sonyeto. See, go and bring them. I will beat hell out of them. You're wasting your time. See, if they like, let them come. If they like, let them not come. All I need from these girls is everything I spent in treating my sister. They should provide them. 10,000 treatment, 5,000 stress. Even not reason. And if you do not provide them, you have 1965. Okay, me here. I
will talk to them myself. I will come to your house. I swear.
Which house?
I will.
Which house?
I will come.
I go nowhere without that money. I am going nowhere without those money.
Okay, just go. I will come.
Mamba, Abrasa, come. Oh, Jesus.
This stupid dirty man, I don't know herself. You can use the anchor man where I take the few hospital and show your face to this way.
Can you imagine? See, Africa slippers. See, dirty slippers. Stupid slippers.
Oh, finger.
You see, this man I won't choke. Small straight when they manage. What's that? You can't put it on the road. Hey, wait. Hey, Okunga won't kill you. Ada, I do like this. Hi, Ada, the mosquito don't go. Oh, go cook. Hunger there. Hey, wait. Hi.
Why are you both doing this to me? Now the little money that I've been struggling to save, I'll have to use it to take care of Dorothy's treatment.
No. What did she tell you? She come here. She tell you now we do am. We no touch that girl. We no know the girl. You don't see that girl for class.
No see her. Give me the money. Make I go treat am.
Ada, no try that kind of thing. No trying. Which kind of rough play with this one?
Make you just give me the money now.
Can you just shut up?
See.
Just shut up. Just when I thought our parents' death will serve as a reason for you both to comport yourself and have wisdom, have focus. Everyone in the village sees you that you don't have an atom of home training. Academically, you lag behind. What am I not doing right? What am I not doing right to make you both happy? Now I have to pay for this treatment. Just so I get your heads off the trouble.
Sister, just give me the money. They just relax and...
You just stop!
Make sure I identify.
Just stop! Because I've had enough! I have had enough!
I don't have enough! What's your pussy?
You've had enough!
Okay, the respect person don't go respect. See, now 1 year you take senior, you respect yourself.
Just 1 year.
What's your
If you not even reach full 1 year, sir.
Keep quiet, me self senior you.
I'm not going to say this
If I don't keep your mouth shut now.
Get out of my way.
What's in the app?
Mama said we must depend on you to survive. Ebelandi Santachi, sisters na big wala, Debbie wala, Tadanaya.
Ibile, which kind of business person fit do for this village like this? Eh? I don't tire to the feed from hand to mouth though.
No say, me self, I don't think this matter. Don't think I so sometimes if I even they get it, I don't tire for poverty. Hi, I just the reason because you know say money they stop nonsense now.
I did say money stops nonsense. I wish they would just the worker food like this, just see big carton of dollar like this. I don't think that is like
Oga Nnamdi, we dey greet you.
Oga Nnamdi, welcome. Well done. Oga Nnamdi, I beg you get wetin we wan tell you.
Wait first. Me if I answer our greeting first. Oga Nnamdi, well done.
Well done. What do you want to buy?
Buy? No, we don't want buy anything. You get what you want ask you, eh? We want make inquiries on something.
Inquiry? Okay, what is it? Tell me, what is it?
Oga Namdi, see, in a day, how much you think say they make from this your shop?
What kind of question is that? Or both of you came here to rob me?
Never reach like that. Now, make yourself they calm down. We tell you say I beg, we want to inquiries.
Calm down. No, you start small. They use the.
No be calmness. You take start.
Your voice too high.
You start with calmness. It change am for you. I just make a still match and tone for tone so that we go dey.
No, so they take.
Anyway, it never reach like that. Oga Namdi. We don't dey know sound for minds. Two of us now, we don't dey carry this thing for mind. Don't dey know this idea since. So now make her come to so we could just ask you as we see you. So with this your shop now, wetin be your starting capital? How you take start am? How much you take?
Like how much you invest for the business? You understand?
I don't even understand both of you. Just see how two of you are demonstrating it. How much? See, let me tell you, when you start your own business, then you know how much you can make daily.
Okay. Okay, leave the daily. Just tell us what will be the starting capital. What you will take start the business.
Just
tell us
capital.
that one.
See, both of you should leave this place.
Calm down now.
Leave this place!
I
leave my shop.
I think since people know they use small voice say talk to
And
them.
why you gonna ginger now?
Maybe you go leave her, maybe we go see
fine
first. Why be like it?
You know how to say fine girl like you can't
Leave her.
You don't get anything for
I said now we get plan B.
How much you get? You get money. Why you know? Mama for there, you don't get money. Let the plan. No worry, we will show you. Hey. Ebere. You dey say the kind money wey Oga Namdi dey make? For that in shop wey be like where they keep dead chickens.
I am telling you.
Hey!
Papa Namdi is making so much money. Hey! See, as I dey reason this thing like this, so we gats do business. We gats do business. Because that's the only way we can survive in this village.
Business?
Yes, now.
Which business we want to? Where we want to see money for to do business?
Relax.
Who give us money now?
Relax. No the thing go left. Relax first. That one will not be a problem. It shouldn't concern you. As it's day like this right now, we already get sponsor. Amara now. If we tell her say we won't begin to do business, trust me, she go believe us. Die. She go like the idea.
Ibere, you make sense.
Hey! I tell you, say na me go to think for two of us.
I dey tell you. So like this now, we don't already become business women.
Official.
This one too makes sense. So
you go. What you go dey wear for the business? Go dey wear suits. Go dey do like bankers. Come make we dey plan.
You wear suit for.
What did they worry you? You need to package and arrange.
You don't even talk about short minis, hot skirt first to gather customers.
Then we'll come wear kosuble on top. What did they talk like this?
It go. I be one people AC for the which business no see.
You know Saturday I go dey think for talk. See, we need to dey do business wey be like. See, when people go see us, they go respect us. They go want pack all their money, they give us the pay.
As fine girls so will be now.
Now you dey think for two of us.
Oh, you dey your head, my sister.
Your sisters fought a teacher. They nearly broke her ribs. I tried to caution them. What did I get? Insults and disrespect. I am sorry, Amara. The school will not condone such behavior. They have been expelled. I will instruct the bursar to refund a part payment to you. That is the best I can do.
Principal, please. I sincerely apologize for my sister's behaviors. Please, forgive them. I apologize for the difficulties they must have caused you and the school. Please.
Amara, you have nothing to apologize. None of this is a fault of yours. I just hope that Somto and Ebere will not end up in this manner, that they may regret it for the rest of their lives. Do have a nice day.
Roughly 5 million. Don't start business for this village. 5 million. 5 M, 5 meter, 5 chakom.
Chukusu. 5 million naira.
For a start, no, they talk like 5 million a big one.
When get hand and leg.
Bam.
You think if I have 5 million naira, I will sit down and be planning with you? I will be at home, raise my leg, and be sleeping and eating every day. Eh?
So for your mind, 5 million a big money.
What if they talk?
Even 50 million self, you know, get him by. But money we don't chop us. 50, 100. So now 500 want to chop now they go.
Now you wear this kind of slippers.
Not be 5K oh. 5 milli now you dey talk oh.
Respect yourself.
If you chop 5 million, you go show now you go resemble who don't chop 5 million now. I don't know the kind, but money too dear, sha.
Now Sabi, you know say you look like 5 million and one kind of big money. Baby say you bill your sister. Him, now come the billing. What is 5 million? Now business money to talk about here. Oh. Don't be saying money you want to go do one kind. Business money. You know how much they make for that opa?
How many opa she won't sell like that when she want to raise 5 million naira?
5 million naira.
You know they use your sense. Use your head, Chukusu. You won't kill him. See, you know say out of the three of us now, let me get sense pass. As I know they talk so my vision on the clear.
No, you get sense.
No, I mean they think for me and you. Keep quiet, listen. See, I don't balance out more quarter. More live for 2 million. That one sound reasonable for a year pass. No, 5 million no work at all.
It makes sense. So that 2 million naira. See, we go first try tell her the 2 million, collect the 2 million first. Then later we go give her another B. Everything na HQ now.
See, I saw your suffer long, Ish.
Stay worried this one.
Which one be suffer long?
Your suffer long.
You won't chop all your future at once.
But you go enjoy for how many years? You won't chop her for 25 seconds. What's the worry this
now, small they take liquid pepper soup way hot, guy. Now HQ, use your brain now.
You never hungry. If you get as hunger go catch you, see that pepper soup, you go drink and vote the hotness. 5 million na small money. Be your sister. You dey pity that girl. Bill am collect money come we do business.
Your blood towards. The way you take say you don't see millions of naira. Say the way they talk this money 5 billion, 50 million, billion.
Una dey fuck up oh.
They be like say you won't use us see 50 million for the first time.
Calm down. Una dey do like say una dey follow me. If I be like say na be una now we get sister now. I for don't blow.
What you for do for your life?
I get brother waiting on me or I get sister waiting on me.
Waiting for happen.
What is life?
Waiting for change.
But
waiting for change. All the 100 million, 50 million you don't see for this life.
He say
they tell me say our business they do this one, they do that one.
All the money you don't
chop. Ask you one question now. How many Okpa Ingo say now to raise that money?
5 bags, 6 bags, depending on how serious it is.
Make I ask you one question now. 5 times 15 now how many?
No be mathematics, not but business.
No, they scratch body. They ask question, they scratch body, they scratch.
But for the kind of money where you don't count, suppose they know mass. They know mass. Calculate those big millions.
Money they different from mass. If na money now, times and by money I go multiply and give you equals to wetin e be.
Chukusu.
Na the money we dey talk about.
Chukusu.
Nwama mi yanki.
Nobody do like this. First, where you go?
What is the meaning of this now? What is it? You're not going anywhere until you listen to us. I am not listening to you.
Oh yeah, come and pass.
Whatever that will have to come out of your mouth will be total nonsense, gibberish. I don't want to hear it.
Okay.
Save it. I don't care.
No, you must care. I see you will care. You must. It's a must. She don't care for you. You are our sister, our elder sister, the adult of this family, our only life support. Yes.
Don't you take
You must listen to us.
Say it now. Say it how it is. So because I am the first daughter, let me lay my life. Let me die, suffer and die because of you both. I see.
Take care of us.
Don't try to restrict my movement again. Don't try to obstruct me again.
You go nowhere.
Hey.
You go nowhere.
Hey.
I say you go nowhere.
I have single bone, no?
You go nowhere.
You go nowhere. I have single bone.
All of us we have double bone.
You go nowhere.
Hey. You go anywhere.
Hey.
You will die here today.
Hey.
Nobody moves.
Somto.
You will not go anywhere.
Somto.
You will not go anywhere.
Ebele.
You will not go anywhere.
Somto,
You will not go
I will
anywhere.
kill you.
Kill who?
Somto,
Kill who? You go and tell
you
Mama.
know people don't have respect, oh.
What do you go and tell Mama?
You people don't have respect, oh.
Yes. You are not going
Hey,
anywhere.
hey,
See,
hey,
we will beat you
hey.
here.
Hey,
You will not go anywhere. You will not go anywhere.
Ebele.
What will you
See,
tell Mama?
Nchokwu itigi mama kwa Ebele. I will see. Me itigi jaja.
Me too. I will kill you.
I will kill you.
I will kill you too. Anything. I will kill you too.
You are not going to save my slippers.
Mama said we must depend on you to survive. Baby, and this and touchy. Two sisters, na big wala. Debbie wala. Tadanaya. Baby, and this and touchy. Two sisters, na big.
What is it now?
Drop that, Andy. Drop that.
What is it now? I don't understand. My
You
friend,
know
leave my
the-
clothes.
Leave
Leave
waiting.
my clothes.
You know the-
Hey,
give us this.
Hey. I am going to market, I am going to market to buy the things I need for my oppa. And if that woman leaves, I hope you know it's from this market selling that I make the money to prepare food that the both of you will eat.
You no concern me.
Mother when talk say pikin no go sleep, himself no go sleep.
You know what our progress? We too, you no go progress.
Leave me alone. Let me go to
You no go
You know they go
progress.
anywhere.
Leave my dress.
Give us this here.
You're delaying me. Leave me
Give
alone.
us
I
this-
don't
you
have
dey
this
delay our
time.
future.
I
Give us
don't have.
this
You
here.
know they
Oh,
go
God, leave my
anywhere.
dress. Go anywhere. You know they shout. You know they go anywhere.
Feel like shout for nothing.
No, they go anywhere. Stay there.
You spoil my
Make I
bag.
spoil
oh.
am.
You
go-
spoil
see,
Guinea.
Somto, you will spoil this bag.
Let me spoil it. You will not go anywhere.
Somto, if you spoil this bag, Somto, I will call people. People! I will call people.
Go on,
gather.
Mama.
Let them
Hey.
call
them.
Hey. People gather! Hi, God.
Only you sabi shout.
Okay, come on.
You know they go anywhere. You know they go anywhere.
I will
Don't
touch
touch
my
my
sister.
sister.
I will
Don't touch my sister.
Kill me.
Ebele.
Kill me.
Ebele, I'll kill you.
Ebele,
I will
Leave
slap
her,
you.
Punya.
Chukwusu, can you
Leave her
imagine this
first.
wicked girl?
Leave her
Man,
first.
leave am.
Leave am.
Now cause of
Leave
you.
her hand for clothes now. Leave her hand
Come
for
on,
clothes.
Chukwusu.
You leave her, make she go. Leave her, make she go.
Oh yeah, they go.
Shebi dey see.
Leave her, leave her. Say leave her.
When you touch my sister again, I warn you that your long edge.
Leave her.
God save you.
But this is sister wicked though. Una do DNA test after they born am.
Which kind of
Kind
To
of
know whether na your sister be no be your sister.
What you know? I know they have that kind of nonsense. What they talk? So our parents now play away match now. That's get irresponsible parents. Who don't know say our first daughter.
Chukwusu, I better talk better thing when you tell us not to give her make I.
Maybe talk better thing matter because as it stands now, una need do better thing like hastening up, dey serious, collect this money for my hand. You never even tell us say na money una wan collect, you dey do like this. Mind say na money. That means say na war, Biafra war una come act. Get us na go do, una go even lose everything una get.
God to fear, God forbid. Which kind talk be that one now? No, see, no, they joke with that kind of thing. Me when like say I don't plan my life, I don't fantasize how I go take wear short skirt, go come put our kosuble on top. You they talk nonsense. Don't try yourself, for Chukwusu. See, you see that Mara? She just dey play. She like Amo, she don't like Amo. That 2 million must come out. What's be 2 million compared to family? She dey craze.
See that Tamara girl, her ways don't they piss me off. She don't they too they piss me off, and I go show am.
Show am.
See, if she no answer us, me personally, something I go burn down that house.
By my support.
I go burn that house.
I
Make all
support.
of us go find our square root.
You know what go happen now? I will give una money for fuel. As she dey sleep, una go pour fuel for her body. Pour fuel for the full house. No worry. My papa get 2 bedroom. He get 1 room waiting for back.
Now your
No go-
wicked papa.
No, leave am. I go
Bring the
put
money,
for
call
sale.
for the fuel.
Eh,
Give
bring
Sonto
the
the money, make you hold am.
Na 2 liters una go buy you.
I go burn the house.
Una suppose get matches for na house, abi?
We get matches, just
Matches
give her
still
money
dey.
for fuel.
Still give me money to buy 1 full box of matches.
Money no dey here. E dey my papa house.
See they worry this one.
The other nigga wey I use go play ball, na him money
Which kind
dey.
nonsense explanation?
So you
be
know
this one?
serious, you know serious. We hold criminal just now. You let the criminal
Come
No.
See they worry you.
For night, una go burn am, kill am.
At least by now everybody for don dey answer papa name. Which kind nonsense be this
Mama
one
said
now?
we
Just
must
Chukwusu, I don't like this
depend
kind
on
thing.
you to survive. Baby, and this and touchy. Two sisters, na big wala. Debbie wala.
Yeah. Your neighbor, come here. Come here. Chukwu,
Papa,
where did you go to?
I go church.
Church.
I go Bible study.
Which church? Eh? Did I not give you a stern warning not to leave this house? Eh? Chukwudi. So you cannot leave this house and come back with something good.
Something good. I asked you not to leave this house. You find a way to sneak out of this house and say you got a church. Which church? Chukode. Papa, be your pikin, no. You dey treat me like say I be prisoner. You dey regret why you born me? Sure enough, I do. I regret having a he-goat like you as a son. If I be you goat, what you can be? Yeah. What's that supposed to mean? Check them now. What is no your baby? What is the color? The English and waiting. Yeah. Chukudi. So you're indirectly telling me that I'm a he-goat of where? You are indirectly.
What are you trying to do? Is this not fuel? It is fuel. All of us will burn in this house. All of us will burn. No, wait, don't waste it. We'll burn. It's expensive. Wait.
You want to burn our father's house?
Yes, all of us will burn in this house.
We'll burn?
Yes.
And then you sleep where?
It's none of your business.
We will not burn inside this house. We don't care.
It is none of your business where we sleep. It is none of your business. The bottom line is, we want you to listen to us. It's very simple.
And I said never.
Really? Either you listen to us or you go into extension. Pick one.
Hey.
Ada, pick one. You pick want one die today, Abi, you go listen. Which one you want? Peace or in peace?
I go both. See, I don't play. Even you.
You know it. Go bring matches. Go. I'm
not even joking. I will burn this house.
Go bring matches. Come. This is how they play. You go listen, Abi, you no go listen.
Ebele.
You go listen, Abi, you no go listen. Which one?
Ebele.
I say whether you go listen or you no go listen. Which
Ebele,
one?
you are daring me.
I have dared you because you have been daring me.
Daring me.
I don't tire. What's happened?
You don't tire.
Go bring matches. Go bring matches. My guard gates. Go bring matches. Come. Who they follow you? They play.
Hey,
you two. Hey, you two. Hey,
Ebele, you are daring me.
Ebele, you have dared us.
Ebele,
you have dared us enough. We are tired. You must
survive. Ebele and the Santochi. Two sisters na big wala. Daddy wala.
2 million what? Are you guys okay? No, are you sure you're normal?
Ada, what is there now? So 2 million naira. Only 2 million naira. Listen, see that 2 million naira will not even be enough for this business. So, it's just that my sister and I, we don't have big eye. You know, we are not greedy people. We just want 2 million to open small business we can be managing. That's all. Only.
Fine. It's okay. Can I know the kind of business you want to look into or you plan doing? You know, let me hear your ideas. Have you done your visibility studies and all that?
Don't visibility study again. I beg, more arrange things in order of importance. Bring the 2 million naira. Idea go come later.
Yes. You see, when I say you both are stupid, I wasn't drunk. So you expect me to probably sell my kidney and give you 2 million naira to squander? You want to do business, you don't even have a business plan, nothing.
You go come. I still think.
You see, I've always known that this conversation wasn't going to have a headway. If you both are tired of school, because it is clear that you don't want to take your school seriously again.
Yeah.
If you are tired of studies, go out there and learn trade. If you think the trading will be hard for you, you can equally join me in my upper selling business.
Hey,
yes! Because that way you will do better for yourself.
Don't say stop it down. God forbid, I would rather die than sell okpa.
Oh, you know, you think you are alive. You think this one that you're living.
Yo, this conversation is over.
What's that? Where's the money?
To come back and tell me
where is the money? Don't go in here. Where's the money?
If you follow me, I'll wound you. I'll break you. You better not even try to follow me because I'll kill you. Don't even try me.
Just wait and see now. Just wait and see.
Come back here. Idiot. Nonsense.
Hey! Must depend on you to survive. Ebele and the Santochi. Two sisters na big wala. Daddy wala. Ebele and the Santochi. Two sisters na big wala. Na biggie wala. This girl collabo is dangerous. Sisters na big wala. The horse. Two sisters na big wala. Debbie wala. Tadana ya. Two sisters na big wala. Na biggie wala. Tadana ya. This girl collabo is dangerous. Two sisters na big wala. Biggie wala. Tadana ya. These two girls are ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting. Every day wahala. This was not answer. They are ready to scatter. They don't
What happened to the food I prepared this morning before going out to sell?
every day wahala. This was not answer.
Sonto! Ebele!
Every day fighting.
Sonto and Ebele!
This was not answer. In this case, I don't know what to say.
Who washed this pot? And what happened to the food inside?
I mean wash am now. The food dey inside don't spoil. So I can't throw one and wash the pot for you.
Are you okay?
I don't understand.
The food I made this morning before going out to sell my market. What happened to it? You're telling me it's spoiled. It got spoiled how? Is something wrong with your head?
This noise is too plenty.
Hey.
See, if you want to see your food, just give us our business capital, you'll get your food.
Really? So you expect me to count 2 million naira and give to you girls?
Before uncle.
He bad.
As again now? Hey.
Our rights.
See, let me tell you. If you know where you hid my food, better go there and bring it out now. Because I'm not joking. I am not joking.
Hey. Why do you own my shirt now?
Where is my food?
Why do you own my
Nah,
shirt?
leave
Where
me.
is my food?
You too,
I
where's
don't
our
leave me,
capital?
oh.
Where is my
Yeah.
food?
Give us our
Our
capital.
Hey, hey. I will call people. People go gather.
Call them.
People will gather.
Where's our
Provide my
capital?
food, though.
Our
Because I've
capital.
been keeping calm. Hey! Where is my food?
Give us our money.
Soto, I'll kill you.
Give us
Soto,
our
I will
money.
beat you.
Oh.
Soto, where is my food? Ebele, where is my food?
Anytime. Every day fighting. Every day wahala. This was not answer. They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all. Every day fighting.
Uncle, these girls have started again, oh. They have started again. I swear, I will do something really drastic and nothing will happen. I will do it and nothing will happen. They have started again, oh. Come and warn them, oh. Warn them.
My daughter,
Ha! Hey!
come and sit down. Come and sit down, please. What is it this time? Does it mean that we cannot drink water and keep cup in peace in this family because of Ebere and Sonto?
Uncle, I have done everything possible to ensure a better life for these two. But no, it is clear that they have chosen a different path for themselves, which I don't have issue about. I don't have any problem, oh. No problem, oh. But what I will not take from them is them disrespecting me. They cannot give me respect as their elder sister. What is that? Fine. Uncle, can you imagine that these girls are demanding 2 million naira from me or Marcella to start up a business?
So you're making...
Business that they have no clue about. Uncle, do I look like I have seen 2 million naira before and my life is like this? And I'm hawking up around the village. Uncle, warn them, oh. Warn them. I mean, there is nothing I have not done for these girls. Absolutely nothing.
What business do they want to do with 2 million naira?
I don't know.
What did they know in the first place? Apart from fighting, causing problems everywhere in the community.
Uncle, I don't know. I don't know. Themselves, they don't even know the business they want to do. But they just want me to bring out 2 million naira, to shit out 2 million naira and give to them. Uncle, warn them, oh. See, I know why I am keeping calm.
Sorry.
I will kill them. I will kill them and nothing will happen.
Don't worry. I and Mazo Cole will be coming to the house later today. So that we'll talk to them. And I believe after talking to them, they will change.
Uncle, you better come, oh.
They will change this time around.
You better come and talk to them.
Please.
Because I have had it up to here.
Don't bother yourself. We'll be coming.
Am I the first to have younger ones? Am I the first? Uncle, come and talk to them, oh. Talk to them, oh. Because when I will start my own, let nobody hold me. I swear I will kill them before I rest.
ụmụaka biko kedu nwere ụda maka iri ụmụaka n'ime mmụọ.
Mama said we must depend on you to survive. Ebelandi Santochi, two sisters na big wala. Debbie wala, Tadanaya. Ebelandi Santochi.
I want both of you to tell me in plain terms exactly what you are going to do with the money you are demanding from Amara, the 2 million naira.
Business.
What kind of business is that?
None of your business.
How about the one? Are you guys okay? We are trying to settle this matter and you are making it worse.
Uncle, you have children.
Yes.
And some of them are in the city doing business. Other ones are here also doing business. Did you ask them any question?
My friend, shut up. You can't count one from the pit of hell. I reported you to them so they can talk some senses into your empty skulls.
Talk senses into our own future goals.
Hey.
We are never ready. You all are not serious.
I can see both of you must have swallowed something that you are not meant to put in your mouth. You sit here, insult elders, titled men like us. I believe you people can be penalized and fined for this year.
Keep quiet there. Penalty and fine kill you there. What is wrong with you? No. Because of this red nonsense red cap people, if you they talk to person anyhow. What did they do this one? No. See this useless old men when they don't know themselves.
Now hunger. Very soon they go say.
See. Okay, if you want they talk to me, talk to me direct. No, they go through corners. I know they like her. You understand me so? Yes. He did your eye, you be thief. He did this your eye. Yes, you see this your eye. If you dey hungry, tell us say you dey hungry. I go put food give you. No, you come here now. They turn all this whole matter.
The God say make we bring
Pamoye come. God won't lick Pamoye. God won't see. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. I don't want change am for you. You dey hear me so?
Tell us to cook a soup for you. Say you want lick a soup.
Stupid man.
Let me be the thing where you go talk next now.
You call me thief?
Yes, that is what you are.
Santo, shut up! I think I will be on my way. I will not watch this.
No think and just
good for you.
Think too long they go.
Good for you, sir. Good for you. Uncle, talk to them.
It is very clear.
Talk to them.
It is very, very clear that both of you have grown wings. Now, let me tell you. Let me tell you. As far as I'm sitting here, Amara will never give you a dime.
Do I even have
Uncle, you lie, yo. Never say never. You see that your small finger? You lie. That's what I see. Uncle, see. Why would they call you Uncle? Say who you be? But I know they understand.
You just want
this one our family. You know they are our family. Respect yourself.
I am not your family, oh.
Respect yourself, oh.
I am not your family.
Yes,
you are dragging me to your family.
No, you don't want
to. See it here.
You will give us your money in peace or in peace.
I am not your family.
Amara,
not anymore.
They said they are not your family.
You not be our family, uncle. You will give us that money in peace or your family. Say it be said. That is what they talk to us. You see, this kind of people when no get future come talk to us. That's why they don't go. Nonsense of place they go the next time. You know, see, never won't die, and so they do better. If you like, call the ancestors. This one no even know what they do. If you like, call the one deity. Cause that way people won't die. People won't die. That's what they behave. You know, some of these people they will soon die. They don't get future. We won't get future. We won't see snatch our future from us. You don't know. We don't go let them. We don't let them snatch out. Amara, go ready. Begin go sell up. Maybe calculate the 2 million for us. Hey, yeah. Hey, there you go.
What do you want from me? I've not had any issue with any of you, so let me go.
True. You don't lie. You don't get issue. In fact, we don't get issues with you, but your father. Yes, and we go treat him fuck up if you don't do the needful. You go collect woto.
My father. So what did he do this time?
You not supposed to know. You know, see you na younger ones. When elders they talk some certain things, the little ones go just stay for one corner. They listen. So no worry, your father don't already know what he do. But right about now, so he wants give you one small message when you go give your father.
What message?
First of all, kneel down. She dey tell you something now.
I said make you kneel down now. You come say you come on.
Oh, then you don't tell her say you fit
stop to and Ebere for road.
You tell her ain't go understand.
Na him go visit next.
Mugu.
Nonsense.
Say be. They talk. See, I don't like us speak English. They don't speak English. I don't like.
No, they won't say us say they go school pass us.
What we wear?
Nah, they don't know say we are perplexed.
We be perplexed. Na perplexation.
Oh yeah, you spell anti-monopotogeographicationalism. If you talk that way, if you spell am.
I bet I dey hungry. Mo go find one jot for chop.
You know hear the English one speak.
You know get you sabi for this life before mo dey go.
Don't hear that kind of English.
Na only food is sabi mo go find one for chop.
They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. They have sold their conscience. Selfish people, foolish girls. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south.
My daughter. Chineke! God, what happened? Who did this to you? Eh? Onye mere gị?
It's not Sonto and Ebere.
Sonto and Ebere? Those evil girls?
They say it's a message for you to stay away from their family affair.
Message for me to stay away from their family's affair. Okay. Now I understand, my daughter. Don't worry, stop crying. Just go home. I'll get to them at my own time.
Okay.
Please, go home. I'm just rushing to somewhere, please. Don't worry. I'll take care of you. Just go. Please stop crying.
These two girls are ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south.
Hey, Ude, what have you good is you, Ude?
I hope all is well.
All is far from well.
Eh?
All is far from well, Ude.
Hey. I'll give you.
Those evil girls, they just beat up my daughter.
Huh?
They hijacked her.
Amara and Sonto.
Yes.
Yeah, no done. Okay, ada akwụkwọ na ọta eme ife nwa. Bịa no done.
Ye wata mego n'isi Ude.
So, Sonto and Ebere dealt with your daughter.
You need to see how they brutalize her.
Hey.
I come with two messages. Number one, Ude, tell them that I've received their message loud and clear. That I will come at my own time. Finally, anything that involves those evil guys, please count me out from it. Don't involve me. Because I'll get back to them. And they will know that I did. If I get them, none of them will see the light of the day again. Never!
Ụmụaka.
Ebikatago wow.
Ha na-ekwu ọzọ ha na-eme.
Ebikatago. Ebikatago.
See me. These two girls are ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. They have sold their conscience. Selfish people, foolish girls. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi.
Amara.
Okay.
I was about coming to your house.
Hey.
Amara. Nsogbu. Amara, Sonto and Ebere They are acting as if they are under spell. And it is necessary we identify their cause, the cause, before it gets late.
Uncle Biko, what have they done this time?
Oh, you've not heard. Ebere and Sonto ambushed Mazo Kole's daughter. And they really dealt with her.
Ew.
Simply because they want to send a useless message to Mazo Kole.
Hey! Hey, Chimo. Uncle Ika Ugomo, I am tired. I don't even know how best to term them.
Amara, the problem these children are looking for, Amara, they will get it. In many folds. I'm pitying them. They thought they are ruthless. They can do anything and go scot-free with it. But very soon, they will begin to pay for all these things. But I don't have much to say. Since I've seen you, let me start going back to my house.
Uncle, every day is complain upon complain. Uncle, I am Ika Agugom, I am tired. Our parents are not like this. They are known for peace. They are peaceful. Peaceful. What kind of sisters are these now? God, why? Why?
I won't be surprised if you eventually find out that those your sisters are cursed. I mean, their attitude is so abnormal. And it's not as if they are kids that don't know what is right or wrong.
What do I not do for these girls? I do literally everything for them. I go out of my way to make sure they are happy. I shrink myself to put a smile on their face. Chinelo, I work twice as hard to see that these girls go to school, to give them a better life in my own little way. I assume the role of a mother that we don't even have. Everything I do. How do they pay me back? They want to see me drained. They want to make life a living hell for me. Why? Do I even deserve that?
No.
Do I deserve it?
No, you don't.
Chinelo, I am tired.
It's okay.
I am tired.
Look at what they have turned you into. And you that used to, you do glow before, but now, look at you. You have lost your spark. How, girl? You don't need to kill yourself because of these people. Sometimes just allow them make their mistake and then face the consequences. Please.
It's just the heart I have. They're just leveraging on my kind of heart.
I understand.
You're just leveraging on me.
I understand. Calm down. Sorry.
So how did it go? Were you able to get anything?
Yeah, I wasn't able to get anything tangible. But then I called my uncle in the city. He's into importation of sunflower oil, groundnut oil and stuff. I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping that he comes back with a good news.
That's good. At least I am relieved now. And I believe he will give you the good news you deserve.
I really hope so too.
He will.
That's basically the last hope.
Relax, everything will be fine, okay?
Thank you.
Do you have anything in the house that I can prepare for you to eat?
Yes, I have some tubers of yam, but that's just it.
It's okay, I'll make porridge yam, so I'll just go out and get things for that, okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you so much. What can I do without you?
Hey.
Thank you.
I'm coming.
Alright.
Okay.
Wetin dey delay her? Why she never give una that money?
Give us which money? First, we never even listen to our plans. Talk more of to even give us the money. I bet she don't look at her face again. No. Try.
You know say a person biggest enemy dey inside house. Biggest enemy, so he dey inside house. Una know why she never press that money come?
Why?
Fear and jealousy. She's the reason say if she gives her this money now, una go dey make more. Una go dey look her less. Una no go comport. Now why? If not, she for don't press this money come tete. Now why?
Hey, guy, your head dead there. Now true you talk oh. All you dey your head now true. I dey see your point of view right now. Hey.
So now you know say I dey talk fat.
Hey.
Now they tell you wetin go happen be say what must be must be.
Bam.
Una go make am this big madam. I don't turn am finish.
No, we go make am.
Yeah.
No two ways about
just carry the 5 million for here now. Case closed.
Now talk you talk, I been a whisper, you whisper. I see they worry this one.
Ayan. I say carry the 5M. Chakom.
No, they talk again. If you don't want to talk with sense, no, they talk again. Should be 5 million. I don't think it's not 2 million. Now go ask her. You see they talk 5 million. You don't say they look at our face. You see they talk 5 million.
No, they yarn this kind of thing. You don't know they there. Come on for there. Move, we go where we want feel.
They pay this orange first. Since you don't get what you want.
You don't already talk and say we go make her. Nothing go stop her. That girl, we go make her normally. We go drive Range Rover.
Bring 2 million. Come start crazy business.
I know they bring and come for you.
Which one be crazy
business?
Respect yourself.
They have sold their conscience. Selfish people, foolish girls. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. In this case, I don't know what to say.
Mara, from your results, you are 6 weeks gone. Yes, pregnant. 6 weeks. The only thing I have to advise you on is to come and register for antenatal so that you start early to take care of the pregnancy, because there is absolutely no way I am encouraging you on an abortion. Okay. Thank you. You'll be fine. Yeah, thank you.
Amara, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be at the market.
I'm pregnant. 6 weeks pregnant for you.
Hey, Amara, no now. You are pregnant. Hey, Amara, no now, no, not now. You cannot be pregnant.
What do you mean I can't be pregnant? Am I not your girlfriend? Have we not been seeing each other?
Amara, I know you're my girlfriend. I'm just talking. This period, it's not the right time now, Amara. What are you talking about? I cannot take responsibility for this. Just take a good look at me. I can't even take care of myself. You basically take care of me.
So why didn't you think about it? Silas, please. Can we just stop apportioning blames and think of way forward? Please. Okay?
Amara, there is nothing to think. There is nothing to think. I cannot take care of this right now. I can't be responsible for this right now. This is not the right time. You should understand. This thing will put everything on hold. It will stagnate us. We're still trying to get somewhere, and you are coming with pregnancy. No, now you have to get rid of it too.
You can't take responsibility.
Nah, Amara, I cannot. Please, and you have to start going. Biko.
That I should leave?
Please come and start living. Biko, start living. This thing is adding to the stress I have already. I have a lot of stress. And Amara, Biko, we cannot do this, not now. Mama, Amara, I love you so much, but Amara. Since it's this one, people can't man more.
Silas. Silas. Silas, why now? Why?
I think it makes sense. They go my friend. Ada. Before they catch you.
This one you did like this. What's happen? You don't they do this since? What's they happen?
She won't cry you.
You did okay?
What's happen now? Ada talk now. If person find your trouble, you tell us. I heard 2 by 2 you match go there. Tell us, no need to fry your face. We got you.
I'm pregnant.
Hey! Silas don't like you give you belly. Finally, oh fine. You know, I don't think say in they impotent too. True. You know, say all those Goliaths, all those mighty people, they know they get anything for under them. I can't if you say in they impotent. I just they talk sharp. Finally, don't prove it say be mad. I bet when be the marriage?
Wait. No tell me say you reject the pregnancy or you deny her.
He actually did. He said he doesn't want the pregnancy. He even walked me out of his house.
Hey, Akara yasago. Akara yasago.
Silas get mind pursue you come up from your house. You know tell and say now only us get the right to do you anyhow.
No. So you don't chop okpa finish. You don't finish your okpa clean mouth. Like say you don't chop anything. You don't price market. The best way price market go pay now.
Ada.
It's okay.
Ada. You know nothing go happen. You know say for this family, na me get sense, na me they think for everybody. We dey go Silas place, make we go. Get up, we dey go.
No, relax. Just hold on, okay? Well, if you ask me, I would say Silas is just angry. He has been feeling overwhelmed for some time now. He has a lot going on and he has been thinking too much. So it's most likely that he wasn't in a right frame of mind when I gave him the news. So when he relaxes, he will come around.
He's thinking too much.
I see.
I won't relieve his stress from thinking, Ada. Make we go there. Silas, get mind, deny your pregnancy. In the grace.
No, we need to reset the brain.
We are not going anywhere.
Ada, you go.
See, the only reason I will follow you guys out is you have to promise me that we are not going there to create violence. I don't want any chaotic situation. We just have to talk to him maturely and have a better understanding. That's all. And then we go. We'll just beg him probably to take me back and the pregnancy, and that is it. I don't want chaotic situation.
Okay, no problem. No worry yourself. Me, Somto, personally, I go beg him for you. I no go fight, I no go create any chaos. As a matter of fact, immediately I just see Silas like this, I go rush him. Hold on for his leg. Oga Silas. I beg, me you know they pump us, I beg. We won't make you come our family, come marry my sister. I want you to be the father figure in our family as we be orphans. I beg Oga Silas, I beg you, they beg you. Even if you want drink, we go use drink, come beg you, I beg, come marry our sister. How is that?
Fine.
You good like that, Abi?
Fine. Okay? Provided we don't create chaos. We just have to talk to him. Beg him to take me back and that's all. Please, I don't want violence.
Shikina.
Ada.
Please.
Ada. What is she talk now? What do you want?
It's fine by me. If we are going to do it that way.
Make we
If we are going to do it that way.
No chaos now.
Because I know you girls. I wouldn't want if you get there, you start fighting.
Make we go now. You don't trust now what you want. Now me personally no go beg.
Keep quiet.
I go keep quiet. She don't agree say she go kneel down. She go beg. I don't say okay now. Make we reach there first. Then everything will come dey flow accordingly. Abi? Make we dey go.
Abi peacemaker, allow me to handle this thing properly.
Ada, make we go.
No chaos, Abi? No
Please,
fight.
no chaos, no
Ada, make we
violence.
go now.
Move they go.
Make we go. Dey front, make we dey go.
But I am. I don't want any chaos because I know you girls. And that we said serious. Stay from the I will not be happy if you get here and start embarrassing him. Okay. You just talk to him calmly.
Okay.
Who could they go?
Some don't you see the back, they do
Don't worry,
waka
I'll be
free.
no chaos. Ebere, if you reach there, just keep your mouth.
So just yeah, now make we dey
If
go.
you reach there, just keep your mouth shut, so no talk. Cause I know you too dey get hot temper. Don't they tell you make they use your hot temper? Sis, I
Okay.
got you. I got you. I got you, sis. Let's go.
Make na dey front, I dey. Na make I no talk. If I reach there, I dey back now. Na still dey complain. Make na dey go, I dey follow.
Sis, no worry, I
Let
got
us
you.
go.
Let's go.
Are you sure I can trust this movement?
You can trust me. I'm in charge. She go just keep
Where
quiet.
we dey
Can you be the
go?
ice water for this movement?
Mhm.
Let us go. He will marry you.
Silas!
Silas, that stupid fool.
You guys should take it.
You get mind! Give my sister Pele! You went wrong! Silas, come back! No let me talk at
I'm out
come
door.
out here!
What nonsense?
You don't know what is it now? What is it?
What is this thing now? What kind of nonsense is this?
You let talk.
Finish up, but let me worry you.
Just relax, okay? He was just angry. He spoke out of anger. When he is relaxed, he will come around. I know he will definitely want to marry me. Just stop.
Over my dead body. Marry you for what? Did you discuss any marriage? I any marriage?
And did you hear that?
You go that's from my account.
Yeah, it's fine. It's okay.
You don't know what from my door.
Sorry.
What is it again? Sorry for what's the worry you? Can you just stop? Did you hear what he said?
Ada, you know what's in there? You see the two of us. Now only we get rats to get up to you anyhow. See this idiot. Turn and go fire back.
No, please. Ada, what you say? Don't push. I know you not. Now you not come. Wait to say you go. Wait to say you go. You dress. Hold on. Let me not go. Ada, come carry me to hospital. Sorry. Manage. You said that boy, eh? Sorry. Ada, I don't. Just leave me alone. Ada, see blood. Let's go to hospital now.
What did you say happened to her?
I should go fetch water. Now she fall. I should go carry the bucket.
She fell. Barely 2 hours after I announced her pregnancy to her. Do I have to believe you ladies? Is this a possible tactic to terminate the pregnancy because I refuse to grant her an abortion?
Oh no, she just for now will help and come here.
Well, sorry to break the news to you. The fetus in her womb is gone because she experienced a miscarriage.
Hey, doctor, you mean say the pikin don't die?
Exactly. I just hope she finds the courage to bear this loss, because what sort of a pretty bad fall is that?
Doctor, I beg, if you see her.
No, you can't. She's under sedative because she's experiencing pain, and that's going to last like 3-4 hours max. I don't know. I just hope she comes out of this fine.
Ibere, make we go track Silas.
Biggie wala.
Bros.
I be ready, brother, when you get this house.
I see how we carry back the wrong commode. So I can lock him door.
Come and sell us don't run. Where they go?
I don't know.
Hey! This guy.
These two guys are ready to fight you every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Pekasi, they are ready to scatter. They don't care at all.
Select. My brother, come back for your babe now. Stop. Follow there, come. Select. If you try and you don't like her, tell her come back. Are we there? Select. Big two, I go dash you one. Thank you, my brother. You go fix your face. Like wait. You got another one. You don't push my customer now. Which kind of problem? My brother, no best. Oh, yeah, pick two. Select. Go side to how many now? How many? 6. Oh, yeah, now pick. Bring 9 love. Come. Select. Now Mumu they go boutique. Oh yeah, big. This one fine. This one fine. Give me that one. That one fine. This one fine too. Yeah. All right. That's good. Select. Who they here? Come and pick your own. You don't finish. Come and pick your own. 6, don't complete 6. Okay. Oh yeah, now small money. How much? That's why. I don't see you last week now. I've been travel before. Okay. This one fine, no. Okay. How much for this one? How much? 1.5. Yeah. Yes. Oh yeah, now pack down for me.
Madam, do now. Do quick. Make it go.
Calm down. Calm But again, you can't the money. That girl a criminal. They correct. Bring your money for your own. Madam Ken, I me you know say as we dey come now, we and Amara follow. Okay. Now she carry the bag when money dey inside. So when she dey come, she go there go buy something. So as she dey come, you go tell her me she give you the 6,000.
No be 6,000. 8,000.
Oh, no verse. Yes, now sleep of the
she dey come.
She dey come.
So make I wait for you. No go tell she go pass abi.
No, she just dey buy something for there. If you bend well now, you see.
Now all of us follow, but we dey go pursue something, so we need to fast. We leave but she go pass.
No wahala.
No problem.
Say well, you go make plenty money today.
Amen.
Oh yeah, now.
My brother, come here. Man, no dey. You do business. Select. Now Mumu dey go boutique.
Ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting. Every day East, west, north and south. Ghana, Pekasi, they are ready to scatter.
This early morning. And I don't dey here. Almost 4 days now. These girls never come back. And their sister never sit up. That's why I go stand here dey wait. I don't tire. Mama, I have this thing. So that I don't know how.
Abonye mergada, wachiki mergada.
Ada, hey. Which kind thing be this one now? I dey for son they wait for you since you waka just come here, come sit down. You not supposed to come give me my money.
Which money are you talking about?
I don't understand. Which one be which money? Your sisters come my shop, come pick clothes now. Say they give you money, may you give me. Make I wait. After market where you go set today, you go pass my shop, come give me. So which one you just waka come as come sit down? They stress me.
Yeah. My sisters came to your shop and picked clothes. And you sold it to them. My sisters.
Wait. No, you get waiting I never understand. Wait, they don't give you money, give me. Wait, your sisters, they come my shop this morning. First people will open market for me. 8,000 naira.
They say make I no worry. Say if they come out from market, you go branch, give me money. So I don't understand the one where they keep body like say you and them no get agreement. What's happen?
They told you I'm the one to pay.
Give me my 8,000. Now waiting carry me come. I no get power for all this plenty talk. First market what I said today. I beg, Mona give me the money because.
Just hold on. I'm coming, okay?
Mama said we must depend on you to survive. Baby, and this I'm touching. Two sisters, na big wala. Daddy wala. Tadanaya. Baby, and this I'm touching. Two sisters, na big wala.
What kind of nonsense is this? And then give us our quote, I beg. How much is 10,000 and I cannot pay? Make sure everything is perfect.
You know, you should be ashamed of yourself. I swear. Listen, look at your younger ones. You are looking so unkempt. You can't even take care of us. If na man now, you carry money, give her. Hey, that sister, my food. Are they? It's complete. Hey, that sister, my food. No verse. You see, make I want two of una. Who you dey want? You see this una two left leg. You ain't get right one. Wait, I don't understand. Early morning, I just use bad luck. Go show me bad luck this morning. How una go collect market? Come tell me say your sister go pay me while she don't get the money to pay. Make una not try am again.
Respect yourself. You not gonna point out your finger before you come near me.
Before I open my eye, now
don't come for here. I manage all these smelly clothes. Make I even more manage. You there they talk. No, sky your leke.
Not even go see your. You know wetin I never understand. I no be ada. You see this una that way they pop on. I go beat you. See that? I know they look at your face. I know they look at your face. I don't beat you. I know they look at your face. Ma use this thing for you. Come on for this. Come on for here. Idiot. Your mate they sell designers. Call they sell they shake now. 2,000.
You tell you no call talk now. What you want this one say? I play your mate. If you don't have sense. Give me. Wait if you don't want that. Wait if you don't have you can't do anything. Which can't give me that boy? Mama, what's the woman that you know? Now what you do this one now? So you can't don't try them. You cannot beat me. I'm not expecting you my elder sister. You don't say you push me for a job. You don't say she dey beat me. You don't feel beat am. Why don't pull her? You don't feel beat am. And then fight other person. You don't say this thing. Let's just 2 years. How go take beat am? Oh, you know you bring say you don't fight. I don't fight for you. I don't fight. Who you dey fight for? I dey fight myself. I don't laugh. Gidigba. Hey, you. I know you prepare. What is the worry you?
Papa, I want to follow you talk something. Papa, you know say I don't reach to marry. I need to settle down. I need a wife.
You are mad. You are very, very stupid. Chukudi, how did I even manage to have you as a son? Chukudi, what is wife? Define wife.
Papa, wife is a person. I go marry am, she go come inside. I go dey put small money on top in head. Understand? She go deal with me, I go deal with her, she go represent. I'm here called Toto. You know what I understand? She go born pikin 12. You don't used to get grandchildren.
Okay. You mean baby factory?
Bam.
Ngwanu, where is the house you built? Or better still, which house do you intend opening for this your baby factory business?
Papa, yeah, I reach like 5 plots. Waiting, 12 children go enter here. Plus, if you want leave, like say, no option day.
Cholo. So you want to go and bring a woman inside my compound so that she will be laying children like chicken, okay?
Papa, this compound, na me and you get them. Tomorrow now you die, na me go take over. So come
on, go Cholo, you will die before me. So go the only thing that can come from this your miserable head is to get married. Or get in a meggy.
Papa, if you dey call, no dey talk miserable.
Get up for him before
no dey talk. I no dey like am. If you talk to me, no dey put miserable.
Sing never, boy.
If I marry wife now, you go dey enjoy am. You go get grandchildren.
Get out. Boom never. Give him medicine.
Hey. Papa, I my own food.
Sing never, boy. Hey, atawamato.
But I don't know.
Chukudi, where did you get the yam you're eating?
But you don't dey see me finish. I know they like am. You don't dey see me. Which time you say, so I know if you go buy food, give myself.
Chukudi,
Nah,
which business did you engage in to provide yam for yourself? Chukudi, I'm asking you. Chukudi. Okay, no problem. If anybody eventually comes looking for any stolen item, I will hand you over to them as a burnt offering. Although you are not holy, you are not acceptable, but I will hand you over to them without even blinking twice.
Papa, now so you dey think of me. Forget this anything, all the experience I got, everything I do today now you.
Tofia, you are very stupid for that statement. You are very stupid. Don't worry. If anybody comes here asking of any missing item, I will hand you over. Now, you talk about that.
Papa, you don't need the first place for my food. The food. Allow me this food that I digest. Calm down, no. You better roll on it.
I don't look like they do. They won't jump person left. This is nonsense motor when you come. Say!
A better.
Hot gist. I see they hot. Knock me to her. Knock me. Hot gist. I see they hot.
I beg download.
You don't go believe what I just see just now.
Who be that?
Sai.
Silas. You don't come back to this village.
You need to see Sai. Sai they on another level. I say for say one big car. Babe, if you see this car, Silas don't finally make am. He just a dry mele, just a twist in her like this. I say, huh? Now Sai be this so.
I beg you, clear your mouth. Which kind dirty lie be that one?
Me they lie.
Which time Silas come up for this village? Where you can't go make money, take buy motor.
Waske, you for add jam join now. See they worry for print the answer sheets for me like this make I begin the right answer. No me I get this village. I won't take no when he come out, when he comes to take come back. And they tell you what I see with my two koro eye like this, just now. You tell me nonsense. I ask my rock give you juice, you want they talk anyhow.
Wait, you mean now?
I be the person when they lie. I be the person when no get eye. I see Silas. Silas don't finally make am.
We've raised the king, go.
What you they talk like
yeah,
this?
you would not raise king like that. If not be the way we dey
make
finish
we
am.
rush go tell Amara.
Habi,
we gasp
partake
we
for
need
this
to
blessing.
partake.
He show me that.
We reach here, we'll break the news subtly.
To her, Abi.
Now so they teach us for school.
Subtly.
Make we go
all of them join us.
Hey! The king has been born. I swear. Say my man.
Come on now, where you go now? Come on now. You never finish. Come.
Chukudi. Hey.
Papa, this is what you do. I know they like him. Nah, you dey hug me too much. I know they like him. This is it easy to find girl wey go dey give you on the rainy season.
Hey, Chukudi.
Nah, Papa, you dey want me too much. Me, I know they like him. Now my future wife will just pursue like that too.
So you want to plant danger in my house? Eh? Chukudi. I will sell you off before you plant everlasting problem in my compound. Chukudi. Hey.
Papa, this is what you do. I know they like him. Try be planning. Nah, my future wife. You know, this is easy. To find girl, oh me pera girl, this is easy.
Then you go and rent a house. Not under my roof. You are defiling my house. Ogene? Huh?
Nah, one mom catch up like that though. Papa, you know they're good though. Who take it there?
They're very soon.
Premium Oba.
What is it?
So you never received the update?
What is it?
Update Deo.
What update are you talking about?
Silas is back to this village. Bam, life and direct.
Silas?
Mm-hmm. Okay. You need to see Silas. Now you never hear say Silas don't come. Oh. Ha! This whole village they shake, everybody they shout, everybody make gym. Big boy! You need to see the car when Silas drive. Big car. Ha!
How are you? Ebere, I don't know where to start from, but I know that I did your sister wrong. I broke her heart. I broke her trust and our oath. I abandoned her when she needed me the most. But please, just find it in your heart somewhere to forgive me.
Who you speaking English for? Me? No. I resemble Amara. You know, get eye. Look me where my height, my shape, and my size. It be like Amara size. Who you supposed to tell sorry? You dey craze. See, I promise myself and my ancestors say, anywhere I foresee you for this world, even if maybe they don't carry me for inside coffee as I dey go, I just see sigh, they around the corner, I go wake up, I will first treat your fuck up, and today I don't catch you, I must treat your fuck up. You don't do my sister. After every battle for this life, when you don't do my sister, and nearly kill my sister for me, you there they tell me sorry, you dey mad? See, you think that because of this nyama nonsense, this pangolo idiotic, the car self no be like. This one not even be car safe. This nonsense so you carry come here. You don't go borrow person motor. One can't take from Buga big boy. Be chain when you borrow for a bulky hand. Come stand there. One can tell me, no try yourself. No try. Come here, come receive your punishment. Come here, come collect punishment.
Ebere. By the special grace of God, the sky is mine. Yes. I actually started a business when I left the village. And the business is going fine. And part of the reason why I came back to the village is for your sister. I'm here to look for your sister. Please, where can I find her?
You know if you find her. Shy? You say this can I own?
Yes.
You get business when you do. You dey double me and be you dey talk true.
I'm telling you the truth.
You sure say you no thief this motor?
Ebere, why will I be lying about it? Please, where can I find your sister?
No, they question me quick. You wait first, smart think. I don't know. And you know if you see him, even if my sister there, I no go still tell you where he dey. But I go think him. Because you too show my sister shege, I go think him. Hi! And even if you see my sister safe, she fit no forgive you. She fit no forgive you, because this one you don't talk say you dey do business, so I go see how fit talk to him, because I think say you go still be a fool when you come back. But you can't do business. You say this one are one of your car.
Yes. Please, point me to a direction.
Amara!
Well, that's good for him.
Just like that.
I'm going to sell my market. Do you girls want to join me?
No.
Your cinematic premium over here.
Ebere, wetin just happen now? Abi she no hear the car part who talk.
This one self shock me. Just leave an initial grad dey do am.
Yeah, if you say the news just give her one kind of shock.
See, when she come back, na stress. When she come back, go play the cassette again.
She fit even dey reason am as she dey go. Her brain go reset.
No, she don't even need reason. And she dey feel say we dey play prank.
Na true. Don't say she just a bit joke well. Na true.
Leave her na initial grad dey worry.
Just in shock.
Hi! Silas don finally make am.
You have made it star.
Sai?
Ichie.
I hope everything is okay.
I'll be sorry, Chio.
Well, can't you go do no good? You are carry a Jimoji.
Okay.
Hi.
Thank you, Chio.
Yeah. You see, you really destroyed the harmonious spark left in Amara. After she lost that baby, she lost every piece in herself with it.
Chio, yeah? I'm very aware of that. To tell you the truth, I did Amara wrong. I couldn't take responsibility for my actions. I failed her. I failed the oaths that we took. But you see, Chia, that is why I'm here now. I'm here to rekindle that fire, that love that once existed between us.
I'm even surprised you came for her. That shows how much you regret your actions.
You see, Chia, I love Amara so much. Amara is my life. She is the air that I breathe. I love how it's everything in me, with the blood that runs in my veins. Chia, to tell you the truth, there is no day that goes by that I do not think of Amara. See? But at the time, I didn't have enough to take care of us. That is why I'm here, Uchia. For you to please help me speak to Amara. Help me talk to her. Help me let her see reasons. At least now I have enough to take care of myself and her. Please, Uchia. She means the world to me, and I need her back in my life. I cannot live in affluence without her. It's not possible.
It's alright. I've heard you. And I will definitely talk to her.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
No, it's okay. When next I come?
Yes, yes, that is the price for the land. So if you are ready, just bring your lawyer so that we'll come and start signing the papers. I need it urgent. I just need it urgent. I want to use that money. Yeah? Thank you.
Papa, sorry for what happened today. No verse. Body move me, I move the body too. No verse.
Chogode.
Sir?
Are you apologizing because you are hungry or you are tired of running?
Papa, na collabo.
Well, no need for your silly apology. I have already made an arrangement to take you out of this village to the city.
For what?
Yes, you are going to meet my brother in the city and learn business. At least that will make you more responsible.
Papa, Mamia.
Mamia.
Mantra.
You will not.
Who will take care of my wife? My wife to be.
Chukode, you have to go back to where you are coming from and look for food and eat. You know, you have to go back. Not Chiata. Shut. Come on from my face.
Papa, this is what you do. You don't make sense. You don't make sense to open door first. Oh yeah, go city. Open door, go city. Open door, go city.
Uncle Biko, stop telling me that. I don't like it. Uncle, this boy is very wicked. He's a very wicked boy. I told you what he did to me. Uncle, I stood with this guy. I stood by him against all odds. He left me when I needed him the most. He failed me. He rejected me. And now you want me to go back to him because he just came back from the city. I won't try it. Him and his money should go to hell. I don't care.
Amara, it's not that I want to justify his actions, no. But for a man like this to come back and say, I am sorry. Look at it now. The young man really loves you. Yeah? not all men will do this. So nothing could have stopped him to start up a family in the city there, and nothing will happen. Rather, you will be the one that will lose. But he still swallowed the shame, came back to this place, and ready to say, I am sorry. Why not give him a second chance?
I don't want it. He should go with his sorry. He should go to hell. I don't need it.
Let's give him a second chance.
If I had died in the process, wouldn't he have married another person?
The truth is, definitely, as far as you are living here on earth, someone must offend you and you must forgive. When there is no offense, there will be no forgiveness. Amara, what did you just do? Well, let me excuse both of you.
I deserve that. I'm so sorry.
You left me.
Obin, I'm so sorry. It hurts me every day to know what I did to you. It was wrong. It was evil. I broke our oath. Please, I'm here to ask for your forgiveness. And I promise you, I will never, ever leave your side again. Please, be my wife. Marry me. Make me a complete man.
If it not be you, in no way that Adamu, there is no one else. If it not be you, in no way that Adadima, there is no one else. Adadima,
Adamu. My children. Since both of you have found love in the eyes of each other, love, peace, and unity will never depart from you.
See.
This union shall be fruitful. More wine. Our chief will cement this marriage. No one, no human being will put an asunder. Every good thing you desire in this marriage must surely come to pass.
Manager.
What is life?
See this one. If you go, you can't go give your papa.
Make us see.
Reserve bench.
Chukus, you don't try when we're today.
What am I saying?
Manager.
Baby.
As make I give you 2 minutes, they see front.
What am I saying, sir?
Oh yeah.
That was.
Something na me, you go share this one.
You know carry cup.
Which cup you dey craze? You send me message.
If you open am now, how will you share am now?
I don't tire. Party too hot oh. Ha! Those again people dey play music. Sha.
Make I use this one. They step down.
They step down. Go ahead.
I open am for you. I open am.
Eh. Oh yeah oh.
Oh God is here.
Yeah.
Our husband.
All these souvenir on their share, sha.
Oh God is there.
If I wait.
My mom.
Hey, guys.
Mama says so.
Sai.
Ha!
Oga Sai.
So I just dey open all your 32, just dash our sister like that so.
Oh, fantastic.
No, you be our person, you be our person.
Biko Kedo, where is my baby? Huh?
She's inside.
She's inside.
And this thing wanna share fine where, sha?
Mommy!
You're welcome.
The love, baby. The love.
I just getting yourself.
Open and no day now.
I got you.
Hi.
Oh.
You both should take care of yourselves. I am going to miss you. But I'll come back in 2 weeks' time to see you. We'll keep in touch, okay?
Go and collect her.
I'll miss you so much. Miss you too. Please be safe, okay? And stay safe. Keep the community calm.
Yes, very calm, very calm, very calm.
I be peacemaker. My name is Peacemaker.
I'll miss you. So the thing is, I'll come back in 2 weeks' time. I'll miss you.
Wait, you too worry. Wait before you go. On that side. Yes. No, vex. On that side.
What's the problem again?
For 1 minute. Just 1 minute.
Time.
No worry.
We
can't talk here. Now come like this.
I'm enjoying. They're my artists. I'm managing them. I'll take care of them.
Anyway, see, this better be important. I don't like the fact I'm keeping my husband waiting. What is it? Why did you come
Husband. Where you be they go before? No, just come out. You're picking husband, you won't come out. Where you be they go?
Are you bad? Are you okay? What sort of stupid question is that?
Wow, it is not a stupid question. No, don't say that. Oh,
Naka information, naka.
You don't do marriage finish now. You dey enter motor to follow Silas go where? Who you won't leave all the plate to food for back here, all the dirty dishes for? See the cooler, see everything, see crate, nothing. Who you won't leave her for?
That is why I have you both. Do it, take care of it, return it to the owners.
As what?
I've already paid.
As what? As your slave? Or as your boy? Madam, go pull this white and you wear me, you come begin. You go wash plate. If you know say you want follow side go today, you go wash plates. All those cooler, you go clean all of them, you go return everything. See, all those chair, you go still carry them. Go return and give to owner. You know they go anywhere.
Now your marriage will not be yours. Which can we do marriage? Which kind of thing?
Why go do work for marriage when I no do?
Hey!
If not because of this cut and bake cloth one I give me, now make you want to talk anyhow. Respect yourself.
You know what? It's really obvious you both are drunk. So I'll just let it slide. Okay? Like I said earlier, I love you both so much and I'll miss you. Sincerely from my heart. Don't try me.
You go nowhere.
Don't try me.
You go nowhere.
I am a married woman.
Okay, now single with single. No keep person. Chest your marriage. Make us chest our singlehood.
I will call my husband.
Who be her?
I will call my husband.
You want make him now?
I'm a married woman now.
Your husband self never forget
now
the
make
good
you
days.
the temper today.
Silas will discipline you. He will discipline you both.
You think that this person gift owner? I go.
Babe,
who be babe?
Carry and come now.
My friends come to your sister. In-law. You know say na white you wear. Just go. We see they talk to our sister. This one our sister.
Na family
No, we don't have time.
Who you dey tell you? Let's go. I don't understand.
Don't try me. Don't try me. See.
I go remember to say they go anywhere. I'm from my first day there. Baby, please.
Side move.
Baby, what? I said side move.
Now you know she dey run up
You
for
know
the
they go
line.
anywhere.
Okay, fine. Okay?
Okay.
I've heard you. Fine.
Okay.
Come on this one first. Make I hold am first.
Give am, make talk to baby. Come on, baby. You know it's not tata. Come this make talk.
You go know what this back.
You know they go anywhere and I dey here. I mount. No worry. Make talk to tata.
Okay. You know what? Just go. I need to sort this out with them.
I don't understand.
I will come.
Never.
Let me just sort this out.
Never! I don't do that kind of thing. What are you talking about? No, tell me which Igbo culture and tradition does this thing you are telling me.
I will come
After
back.
traditional marriage, I will go without my
I
wife.
just need to drink their fuck up. I'll come back. I'll come.
I went to the hand. I will not go with my wife. What is this one? No, I will not take this one. I will not take it from both of you. What is this one now?
So you want us to bring back the
No.
I
will come back.
Can you listen to this nonsense they are saying?
I will come back. I'm coming. Before 6 o'clock, I'll
Now
come.
when you be there, that one will know. Don't be down here. This one.
So make I come on
Relax.
shoe first.
Come on your shoe. Make we carry you enter.
This thing dey heavy. You go heavy years dey bend down.
You no go easy. You go still remove this white cloth. Oh yeah, go inside. Yeah.
Go start to
So
join
go carry
the
that
shopping.
for-
You
for
see that
first carry the plate now, give her
no,
for you.
we see the no. Chukwusu still dey there in the.
Chukwusu, you don't drink finish.
Don't dey
Never
okay.
drink
No, finish the plate now.
Come, make I tell you something.
Wetin you wan tell
Come
me?
on.
Hold am, make you no go. Mat your guy, mat your guy.
The pepper soup, go bring am.
Pepper soup.
You see, she don't try well. Give am, she don't hear. But pepper soup, hot one.
Oh yeah, sit down, sit down.
Look where you finish that plate.
No, see, I be your manager. No, the chief manager waiting.
Yes. Let's go.
They go back here.
After bring the pepper soup now, the pepper soup, and I
Those women when they bring out pepper soup and agree for food.
Yes, so.
Go bring am now.
Relax.
Relax. Small bottle.
I won't carry a bag. Where am I? A bag, don't send it. Don't keep
Ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting.
Don't finish. Married woman. Oh, they're clean, oh. This place, then she wants to wash
Ebele and Somto, where are the monies they sprayed us today?
Which money?
What sort of question is that? The money I saw you girls speaking. Where is it? Where are they? Allow me to finish.
Okay.
If you know what is best for you girls, go in there, bring out my money and hand it over to me right now. I don't want jokes, I don't want drama. Just go in there and give me my money.
You don't finish. Ada. No, why you wicked like this? I don't check am, I don't put one or two together. See, say you dey very, 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 very wicked. Today, na your marriage, you don't marry. You get husband, you dey go your husband house. Where we say everything where you want, dey for that house. You no need to stress yourself again. You still come dey chook eye for this small one wey me and my sister go take get ourselves. This one wey we go take dey alright, still dey chook your eye inside. What would you be that?
So because I am married, you think you have the right to steal from me? To steal from my husband and I? See, this one, let me just tell you both, eh? This is outside jokes. If you know what is best for you, go in there, bring the money they sprayed my husband and I today and submit it to me this minute.
That's why first go police station, go report case, no be in the way matter. You two dey shout, calm down.
Upe.
As for your information,
if you don't want me to burn your things,
no money.
Go inside, bring the money and submit it to me this minute.
Before you raise your voice, the cooler when they that other side, you wash them. Because this one you talk to you just dey smoke shit.
No mind.
I better go inside and get my money.
Or what? Burn am now. You know they even shame.
I better go inside and get my money.
You see they find.
You will see the other side of me this house, oh.
Let me see the other side.
You will see the other side of me. I dey wait, oh.
You dey go outside. You dey shout. Why they worry me for here?
Chukwudi, if you are certain that you're my son, you will use your brain to do everything possible to make yourself proud. If you play foolishness in the city, you will be a fool forever. Well, a word is enough for the wise. Yakigawa, I will pray for you.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
I'll be on my way now. It's a bad draw. My job for my Watch the road though. Because,
Okay, Papa.
Give woman. You woman carry one big bag. What is this? They say you don't quit talk now.
Why you want tell me for one push am now?
I go still block her. I just give her make she feel say she
Sister never collect her. Last thing that she just collect.
Where you go? You dey waka give people. You dey follow Chukwusu waka.
They give to people.
You dey slave. You know secret
Our manager now.
I'm going to my husband's house. I've done everything that needs to be done.
Not today. Now you know quit talk since. But don't tell us, oh yeah, go pack things, make we go.
I understand.
Go.
What are you going to pack?
We dey follow you go now. You know
to where?
To your husband's house, of course.
What are you supposed to mean?
I don't understand. You want to leave us here for this village for what now?
I don't understand. What are you saying?
We dey go your husband house together.
How can you tell me that you're going to my husband's house?
Who you want leave us for? Who you want leave us for when you go to take care of us? Who go dey pamper us? Wait, Adam, make I ask you this question.
Who you want keep here? Abi, who want come be breadwinner?
Nah, who want do the other duty for this house now?
You both should cast vote among yourself and crown the most foolish the breadwinner. As for me, I am done. Done with you girls, done with this family.
See, you're not going anywhere.
Oh, really? You're not going anywhere.
Says who? Says me, Somto. You're going nowhere. If you're living here, we'll go with you.
Okay.
Yes.
Stop me. And let this be the very last time you get on my nerves again. Let this be the last time you try this rubbish again.
Slap him again, make I see. Slap him again, make I will chop off this your hand.
Uncle, thank God you're here. Uncle, Uncle, tell these girls to leave me alone.
Amara.
What is all this now? What is this?
Amara, what is happening here? Huh? Your husband called. Are you not going to the city again?
It's not these two fools. They don't want me to leave. They don't want to let me go.
Ebere. Sonto.
Uncle.
What is your problem?
Uncle, see, she's not leaving this house. No, she's not leaving this house without us. We are going with her to her husband's house. And that's a period.
Wait. You guys want to move over to our in-laws' place? Just like that?
Yes.
Please. Give the newly married couple peace. Allow them to have their privacy.
Uncle, this is 3 sisters. We are a package deal. 3 musketeers.
Don't count me in, oh. Do not count me in. I am not your sister in any way. Don't count me in.
Come on.
Uncle, tell these girls to leave my way. Tell them to leave me. Let me now. Let me go to my husband's house. What the problem is this?
You go nowhere without us. That's the point.
Why would you even think I would want to bring you to my husband's house? The same Silas that you both fought in this village while he was still in this village before he left. The same Silas, and you think he will just wholeheartedly accept you in his house?
He has to. Now we make a good pig. Somto. Wait, all of na don dey talk since. You know, say I tell you something, say. May you carry that your leke hand, slap him again. You get my slap my sister. Oh, you big, you dey crazy. Meanwhile, you now when you go carry this work, you still come here. What in your mind tell you when you call your phone to? No. What for your mind that you dey speak, you get brain, you talk. See this your red cap. I dey respect him, and as I dey respect you so, carry you and this your red cap. May you come over here. This one are family matters.
Uncle, warn them. Want them to stay off my way. Stay off my path. Ebele, I have been keeping you calm for a very long time now. Ebele, you've been getting on my nerves for a very, very long time now. Uncle, warn them, oh. Warn them.
When you talk finish, you go back that house. No, you come up for here. You know, don't try and come up for here. After you go on, you won't keep me stay. You won't keep me stay. You don't go anywhere. You won't keep me.
These 2 girls are ready to fight you anytime.
Amara, what is it? Why are you coming here by this time of the day? It's even raining. So you have not gone to Lagos?
You will not understand. My sisters, they held me hostage. They refused me stepping an inch out of the house. For a long time, please, can I stay here? Please.
You can stay. You can stay. Just wait. Let me pack this clothes. Hey.
Abonye meragada, wachiki maragada. Mama said we must depend on you to survive.
She must have run out while we are asleep.
So this girl has escaped us. She has gone to the city without us.
There's no way she would have made it to the park that late at night. That's not possible. I think I know where she would be.
Where?
I told you to always leave the thinking to me. Chinelo's house, of course. You know what? Let's go there.
Ahead.
Let's go.
2 seconds.
These two girls are ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all. Every day fighting.
Yeah. Abambo.
East, west, north and south.
Enya.
Amara! Come out here! Come.
Amara, show. We know you are in there. Don't even hide. Just come out.
Ebere, what are you people doing here?
I don't understand. Listen, if you know what is good for you, just go inside there now and offload our sister to us. Else you're not leaving this house.
Which sister? I thought she's in the city.
What kind of stupid talk is that? Or will you go in there and bring my sister out? What's this one?
Shady, why not?
Wait, are you talking to me like that?
You are lost your senses. See you
What is wrong with you?
Keep quiet! Go and bring my sister. You are very mad.
Are you talking to me
Go
like
inside.
that?
Who are you? Go and bring my sister out for me. You think you came here to joke with me?
Amara, come out here.
Amara, don't make me come inside there. Don't make me come inside. You better come out here.
See, if you're denying, let's go inside.
Come and assume your responsibility. Come out here.
Yes, we want to search the house.
You want to search this house?
Madam, we go search and nothing go happen. Whether you like her or you don't like her, we go search her.
Una don't turn police and army. Maybe so una want
You
search
don't
my house.
Since you claim she's not in here, we want to search it.
Okay, go and search the house. Go and search the house so that I'll show you who my father is.
Who won't go see rats for your house? Madam, go bring her sister, come.
You want search my house? It be like say you don't forget say my papa na army, abi? You want search my house? Oh yeah, come and search.
Amara!
Come and search the house now. Wait, I'm coming. Let me just get something. You want to search the house?
This girl figure gone for her house. Go. He who lives to run today lives to fight another.
Come and search it!
This girl figure gone.
I go block you for junction.
You don't block me. Come and search it. Search the house. Sit down.
I should sit down?
Sit down, they have gone.
This conversation. Sit down.
Hi. This your sister said. They are very troublesome.
Troublesome is understatement. These children, they are wasted products. I'm telling you, they are crazy. I have for 1%. I'm telling you.
They have gone. Relax your mind.
Chinelo, I don't think I can stay here. I mean, here is not safe for me. I need to go somewhere that I can, be comfortable and be able to arrange myself before going back to my husband's house. Certainly not here. I can't stay here anymore.
I understand. I think I have a better place for you to stay.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Where is that?
My grandmother's place, Atobolo. At least you can go there and stay. Eh?
I don't mind, Chinelo.
It's fine. We'll just leave at night so that nobody will see us. Okay?
Thank you so much, Chinelo. Thank you.
Calm down. They have left. They cannot come back now. They know this comfort.
No. These two girls, they can come back home.
No show. I don't trek around this village. Don't even pass all the koro in this village. I no see Ada. Sonto, that stupid girl don't leave us, don't run, go meet side.
Hey! So like this now, this girl don't escape also. She don't leave us here, go meet Silas. He be what we go do now.
For the very first time, I don't know. I know, so I thought I would think for two of us, but right now, I did recess, I tire.
This girl get mind, she wicked. She get strong mind though. She just leave us here, make we language, we just die for here.
Hi.
Meanwhile, you know, sir, she ask that question just now, something enter my head now. Hope you know they think say na me will come be the breadwinner, sha.
Well, now you be the next in line.
No, respect yourself. Now I know say your mind don't dey play tricks. No let them play tricks.
I be last born. I'm not getting
everybody go answer your papa name. Oh. No try me.
No, they answer your papa name. Me and you were in this together.
No, I beg.
We are in this together.
No, you no go work. I beg, I know they in the mood. I dey heartbroken.
Mama! Oh!
Who is this?
Mama, it's me, Shinelo.
Mama. I'm happy to see you.
Thank you, Mama. Mama, good evening, Mama.
Good evening. You came with somebody. Who is she?
My best friend, Amara.
Hey, Amara.
Ma?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Ma.
Don't you know it's dangerous to embark on a journey like this at this time of the night? Eh?
I know. Just that it's emergency, so we have to come by this time. I'm sorry.
Emergency?
Yes.
What emergency? Sit down.
Yeah.
Sit down. Amara, those sisters of yours, they lack parental orientation. They don't know what they have until they lose it. I'm happy that you escaped them. God, welcome home. I'm happy you're here now. You can stay as much as you can. Each no 6 months, 6 years. You can stay. The house is yours.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you.
Hey. Oh, go to the kitchen. I don't know that you people were coming. I already made a porridge yam. Go and get it. I know you people must be hungry. Yam.
Yes, Mama, we're very hungry.
Please, I cooked some porridge yam. Get it, You also get mat.
Okay.
So that you can lie down,
Thank you,
Mama. Good night,
Thank you, Ma.
Amara, wake up now. We're running late. Wake up. It's already day. Hi. Let's go. Go and freshen up so that you can get ready.
Abi, that's true. Hey, where is Mama now? Where is Mama?
Mama has gone to the market. Go and freshen up so that we'll run along. Before you miss the first bus.
Oh, yeah.
No, leave it. Don't worry, I'll take it. Just go and freshen up. Go and freshen up. I'll tidy it up.
Are you sure?
Yes, okay.
Listen.
There, yeah.
My damn son. Who kept you so long? I've been waiting.
Hey, it's a long story, honestly. Sincerely, I wouldn't have been here if not for my friend Chinelu.
Really? What's happened?
My sisters. They held me down. They refused to let me go except I take them along with me.
Jesus. But really, those sisters of yours need to be dealt with. I mean, they cannot just be disturbing you like this. Hmm?
I know.
My love, yeah.
The good thing is I'm here now.
Yeah.
And I missed you.
I missed you too. I missed you too so much. But first of all, you need to go and take a shower, okay? Freshen up.
I know, I'm tired. Baby, it's been a hell of a week. My sisters are crazy. God, I've been through a lot.
I know.
A lot. I just want, I want to be pampered.
Hey! Ebere. Now so me and you go just take this village, they suffer. We suffer die for here.
God forbid. She can't talk with that.
What we won't come do now? Eh? We don't even get address to Ada's place. Nothing at all to use tracker.
See, we got to find that address. We got to know how to track her go that house. Any which way na way. We need to locate her. No. No, if you just lock up like this.
How you won't take locate her now? How you won't take locate her? No address, no nothing. How you won't take
Wait, I see they think. You two they talk. Wait. Sorry. I don't think say they relax now they think for the both of us.
Sorry, think very well.
Idea. Chukusu. Yes, now. You know, say, you always a get plan like me. Hey, if you just get one plan now, I be like, say, go solve all this problem.
Chukwu, that one, I never see him for some time now. Are you sure he hasn't traveled like he said? If you don't go see you. I've not seen him since.
We'll go now, we'll go check him. We'll go see. Go house, go check him. We'll know what they do. What we even they do? What can we do?
Two sisters na big wala, daddy wala, tadanaya. Two sisters na big wala, na biggie wala, tadanaya. This girl collabo is dangerous. Two sisters na big wala.
On the bed. Chukwu, come out now.
Show.
Chukwu. Eh? Papa? Good afternoon, sir.
Baby.
Papa?
Santo.
Papa, we there. Papa. Chukwu, no there. Chukwu.
This one, the two of you are looking for Chukudi. Do you have any business?
I don't understand. What shall be business?
We go find our guy now.
Our rich G.
Our rich G.
Your guy.
Uh-huh.
Your G. Thank God that I have sent him to the city to focus on more important things. And forget this rubbish you are doing with him in this.
Papa Olan, which kind of talk with this one now? Which kind of sense of see, we they respect you because you be old man. They don't say respect, they reciprocal. So as you they respect us, we they reciprocate. So they respect yourself.
Papa, just to back with dear Holland. And this your white baby now they respect you. No be say I no fit enter. If this my mouth, if I watch you now, you will be like say, "Small baby, they insult elders." Nah, how this boy go?
I don't understand. What will make her even come up for this time? No, let us to say he come up.
Let him be blowing whistle and ringing bell to your house and tell you that I am going to the city.
You don't know how we take it. You don't know how we take it. See, you be like this. You know,
Papa, nobody likes to call this your house. This your dry house when they even get anything. You don't even paint your house. No dey shame. So they worry this one self. See, you know, so this old man they say don't frustrate. So they say they live their life.
So when they old like this, they get bad character for old age. I know they play.
And you go dey work so. That person you go to hey, why you go tell us now? Hi, which time person Moses was? I wish you even get number now for table Rishan, eh? For they call the number, and this thing go fit tell us, not where it go. What's happen? Wait, oh.
You get one number wey they call me 3 days ago. Don't give me like 6 missed call. I no pick.
I feel talk say you no get sense. Nobody call you to since you don't say you go pick am.
I won't take no. No, so I be
my friend, call the number back, make we know whether na Chukusu they call us, make we know I want to they do our life right now.
Oh yeah, wait, okay, call her.
Put am for speaker,
Hello? Chukwi, na you?
Chukusu, na you be that?
Now confirm that na him now. Chukwi.
You never hear a voice.
Hi, nah.
Chukusu, you know wait, why you come up for this village? You know tell us you dey come. What dey worry you?
You fuck up. You know do this one. You know see this one. You know do one well. You know do a guy. You f up.
No say that my old man.
I know.
And that man just push me come off our house. Make I go one there for am.
Nah, we just dey find that safe guy.
You know what to let us know. I make us my sister calling talk say he get one number in the class. Make we dial and make we know that na you. Chukusu, we know they fine. We know they fine right about now. So our sister run leave us go city, go there with her husband, and the painful thing be say we don't know how to track and how make us find you.
I beg, just give us updates, even if na spiritual means. Anyhow.
I
beg. You know the matter now.
You be correct guy na normal. Ude Baba. Obodoma. I know Obodoma.
You know the place.
I know am, but wait, where the native doctor they stay for there?
Don't worry. If you just reach the junction, like the market junction, a big bike there, tell us say you go to Baba Shrine. Everybody know now overpopular the map.
Correct guy. You see, I say your face.
You always say give better updates.
Your face say your should shine.
I see why I like you.
All you dey your head normally.
Chukusu, one and only.
Oh, go miss you, shao.
Don't worry, don't tell me. Yeah, I deal with you. Anyhow, just call and run am.
Okay, now, okay.
Bye. Thank you.
Safe credit.
Thank you.
Bye. First, you go fed your favor. Here we come now, but don't make we dey move. What did they do like that?
Ọlọ́run tá a bá wí fọ́gbọ́n lọ gbọ́ngbọ́ èyí tá a bá dẹ̀ wí fọ́gbà lọ wà á gbà kó ṣe òun ni tìlákọ̀ṣe ẹ̀yin ọmọdé wọ̀nyí ẹ wá rí àwọn ìyá mi òṣùrùngà. State your request.
Okay.
Before the date.
Baba, now our sister Amara, we leave us wrong, go city, go meet her husband. We want to make the gods, make the deity track her.
May give us address.
Yes, so that we go find her.
Go find me address.
Yes.
Addressy. Hey. I don't know. Of what use is she to you?
Baba, use choke. Iboku. See, you see that our sister Mara? Ever since our papa and mama died, now she dey take care of us. She do everything for us. If we even shit, she'll clean our yash.
Now she be our breadwinner. Our breadwinner be that. Even the bakery self, now she everything. Jonah.
Yami, mà ti gbọ́. Wọ́n lọ ní búrẹ́dì wọn. Your búrẹ́dì. Wọ́n ní búrẹ́dì wọn. The deity said your request is a small thing before him. It is nothing. It is nothing. But the tracking of your sister will not solve the problem. The eye won't solve the problems at all. Kò lè solve it cannot. It cannot.
It can't solve the problem.
It cannot. Kò lè solve But the deity has offered you another chance to make a better choice that will change you and make you wealthy for the rest of your life.
We'll get money.
You want that one? Another one we want. Degree. Yes. May go bring the Ghana. May bring Ghana most from Oga. Big size. They don't change their mind. So they never change mind. They never change mind.
We will use the blood of your sister to make sacrifice for you to get wealth.
God forbid. That is, we will use our elder sister. They do ritual, we will kill them for ritual purpose. No, God forbid. Ebere, we have overstayed our welcome. Let us go. Wait. Make go. Holy Ghost. In fact, you see the last
part. You will come back. I think by you move. What you need? Kuli kaka kuku.
Wait.
Where will they run go, Seth?
They go house now.
House? Go do it. Okay, house. Hey, house. But, how come we don't even think about wetin that Baba talk? We just run, they go.
I don't understand what you want to think. Say, make you buy Amara. Now they think. You go house, I beg.
You fit go house, sha. But the thing as I dey run, the vision upon the clear say I no suppose go house.
I don't understand.
What one way you do for us? No. You know you see that Baba call us. He talk say you and I will be millionaires. Millionaires. Now so you talk am. It means say you go be millionaire. Me, I go be millionaire. You know they get am. And if me and you now can be millionaires, like they're about to talk am, we don't need anybody to take care of us again. Amara, we don't even need that. What should we do for us, safe? When you say reason now, how much we answer for business? What is that business? How much we answer?
2 million naira.
How much you just see for inside?
Nothing.
So just think like that. If we use, since she not dey useful to us now, she dey alive. If she die, she can't dey useful to us. I know so you no get sense. Don't worry, leave the thinking to me. I go dey think. Now me go dey think for the two of us. So if we use that now, we can't be millionaires. We can't get money. We can't dey, we can't dey shalaye. We dey buga. Why dey be so? Because you self reason. If we say we will track Amara now, can't see am. What is she won't give us? Nothing, no. Nothing. See, she leave us with even that stupid Amara. Go follow that dirty Silas. Go there one corner. Leave two of us so you make you suffer. I know so you know the thing, but use this your head. They get reason why they give you head. Use her sometimes. So, but if you no want go, no problem. You fit just go as for me. Make I just go back. You just, but make I warn you down. Paraventure, I can't go use that. You see me for road. No talk to me. Pretend say you don't know me. Me and you, we know you okay your line, make I came my line. You don't understand me so? No, because then you feel they hear about me for television. If they see me, I can't be celeb, because they spray money for street, they do things, they do, things on things. You don't know me that time, because one year I went and wash, no beg me, I no go give you. They hear I tell you so, they go ask.
Wait first now, wait. We think what happen now be say, you go use Amara, me I go use Silas. How you say?
I don't see you get sense. You just need me to just juggle you small, then yourself will come back. You correct girl.
Yes. Okay.
Baba.
You must come back. Auntie Muhimole, you must come back. you have made the right choice.
We know. But tell us, now how we want use run am?
How you want to run am?
Yes.
Hey! Any kidney? Baba. Kia ni. This one is sap. Kia. This sap. Kia. Any?
Osiso.
Tonight, two of you, we will go to the river of Immerse and do the proper sacrifice. The ritual. Tonight.
So tonight. Baba, if we dey come, how many Ghana must go we will carry take pack the money?
Yes. So you don't know vegetable. You don't know herb. You don't know herb. You are calling it vegetable. You don't know herb. You are calling it vegetable.
Sorry, sir.
What?
Sorry, sir.
The verse now. No, I don't know whether we carry Ghana must go take carry the money now.
You too dey far.
Tonight.
He said tonight.
Tonight. Goddess of the river Immerse. We have gone to the river and the sacrifice has been done. I present to you your new offspring for your blessings. They want the blessing of everlasting wealth. Owó tí ò ní parun. That's their demand. Do it for them. Now. Do it. Now, call her name into the egg 3 times.
Amara.
Now, swallow the egg. Swallow it! Swallow!
Swallow first and I'll do it for you.
Swallow your own.
Shepari, it is over. The work is done. When you are blessed, don't forget the date.
Honey, what is it? Honey? Honey, what's this? Oh my God. Honey? Honey? Oh my God. Jesus. What is it? Honey? Talk to me now. Talk to me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Honey, what? Jesus. Man! Open that plate.
It's over.
What kind of stupid entrance is that? Your sister just passed on and you people are here like it's a celebration. What is this?
Oga, I don't understand. You don't see where tears they bring back dead bodies to life. I be when my sister leave the village, come city, she feel am. She reason us, she no reason our matter. So
Yeah,
shut up.
What do you use Amara do? How you take Amaka? Because you need thorough question with the way they look you now. Amara don't dey with us for village since. Nothing happened to her. As she escaped, follow you. Boom! Death meet her.
What kind of statement is that? Are you accusing me of murdering my wife?
Shut up your mouth. Abi you wan go Kirikiri prison? See, as I dey look you like this, 1 naira shishi you no get. They feel say you get money. You don't look the two of us. Your money they leg, they play where we dey. They hear me? If you talk too much, na loss you go loss. And trust me, even federal government will find you.
What's happening here? It's not a few ladies coming for us to plan your sister's burial. You're threatening me. What is this?
How's it there? Who is planning burial with you? We don't need to plan our sister's burial with you. I'll just support you with 10 million naira.
Add on my own 10 million. Send your account number for my WhatsApp. We don't settle the burial matter, abi. Make sure you buy better drink.
And buy better car first. No manage
Selfish people, foolish girls. Every day wahala. It's west, north and south.
What be this? You never die? People when don't die, they die, they go rest. Why is it they trouble us? You know what, Komotabi? If you stand there and enter this motor, I swear to Mama and Papa, I go kill your spirit, join you. You see, I don't kill your body here. Your spirit now not see. You know the same motor they kill spirit. Wait there for me. So to enter motor, make I kill this spirit. Enter motor, make I kill the idiot spirit. You for stay now, idiot. You know say they kill spirits.
Hey, what did just happen for you?
You dey crazy, you blind, abi you know the see road, which one?
What did just happen now?
You know say I just kill a spirit. Hey. Idiot, don't say this motor kill spirits.
What we go do? What we go do now? Talk now.
What is in your mouth now?
My brother, you be the brain box now. Make you talk.
Hey. I don't get thinking today, I beg. Respect yourself.
Make we go meet Papa Ude. He go give us something we go make us stay. We no go to see our spirit or she no go to see us anyone.
Yes.
I beg make we go. I cannot remember.
Mo tún ti dé o, ẹ̀yin ìyá mi òṣòròǹgà, apanimáwágún, olókìkí òru, ìbà yín o, mo ṣe bá yín o, ẹjọ́ yẹmí lónìí o, ẹ jẹ́ kọ́nà òun là, kí gbogbo ẹ̀ dán mọ́rán, kó dán mọ́rán, kó dán mọ́rán, kó. Who dares intrude into the shrine of Ude Baba? Who? Be you spirit or be you man, it is very, very unwise to sneak into the shrine of Ude Baba. Very, very unwise to sneak on a divine being like Ude Baba. Hey, Yami. Who are you? Show yourself! Show yourself! Who? You! Go back!
Baba. Baba. Who dey Baba? Who dey Baba? Wetin be this? We need your help now. Why you lie down there?
I don't deserve this.
Please don't kill me. Please, don't kill my sister now. Please don't kill me.
Did you enjoy it?
Enjoy? What did I enjoy?
Did you enjoy
I
it?
did not enjoy anything. I did not enjoy anything. I'm sorry, please. Sorry.
Converting my blood into money. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, I cry every day. I cry. No, please sleep. I beg. No, kill me, please.
What did I do to deserve this? What did I do to deserve this?
Are you okay, Amara? What is it?
I had a very terrible and strange dream about my sisters and I think I have to take them along with me. Yeah.
You want to go home to meet those your sisters?
No, you don't get it. Leaving those two all by themselves I fear it might trigger them and erupt something inside of them that would metamorphose into something really dangerous. I need them close to me.
Amara, do you even know what you're saying? Yes. You want to bring those two into your matrimonial home.
I know as bad as it may sound, I have to do this. I can't leave them all by themselves. I need them under my watch. I need to monitor what they are planning, their movements, everything, their dubious plans, to know how to, contain them. I need them under my watch.
It's fine. Whatever you wish, okay? It's fine. Just calm down.
Dream was so strange.
It's okay.
So strange.
Ogini. You don't be disturbing someone. Come and see your sister. Your Adana is here. Hey! Thank God, oh. Thank God, oh. We almost went to the police station to look for you. Ada, you're welcome.
Okay. So, I am here to take you both to go along with me to my husband's house. But hold on. I have my terms that you must agree to.
Hey, what are the terms?
So first, you have to promise me that you'll never pick a fight with my husband. Secondly, you have to promise to comport yourself at all times. And then you'll be staying in a room outside the main apartment because, of course, my husband and I need privacy. Having said all this, if these terms is okay by you, then we have a deal. Do we have a deal?
Who did it? Who didn't for my gate later? What did happen? Who didn't for me? Who are they look for?
I'm the boss's wife.
Madam, you're welcome. Who is this one? Who is this one?
Okay, get my sisters. They're not enough. Just drop one up. I will change that for now. Watch yourself.
Come inside. But then you're welcome.
No
problem. Where?
Come on, carry this thing, come on for me.
Let's go.
Babies.
Okay, John.
We could have come inside.
Hi!
Ebere,
I don't make am.
like this now, we don't arrive. We be city babe now, you go dey behave like city girl because as you see me so
Stand there. Now what even made me first stop you be that?
What's happen now?
You be see they right, the city babe. Now you carry bag like that. My friend no be so city back the babe till they go back, remove her. No, they embarrass me.
How do you
Hold on like this.
Like this?
Yes, hold on. So drop your shoulder.
I need to raise to that. You know,
Drop your shoulder. You never get one. Drop your shoulder. Yeah, waka.
I want you don't scatter my
I know smell the waka like tomboy. Leave steez. Waka where this one a city thing, so you go the catwalk. Oh God.
No, the catwalk.
Just go. Me no embarrass me. Enter.
Nah, we don't land. Any
Enter,
IP,
enter.
we don't land.
Hi, how I go do this girl? How I go do something? Touch anything. Ha. Sai. Sai, what's up? Now? We don't show. Why do you cause like that? Greet us when I offer us something. People know say we don't enter.
You don't sabi how to entertain visitors. They don't teach you that one for where you from.
How are you?
I know what's happening.
We home.
What do you mean we home? Why are they here?
Okay.
Yeah? Amara.
Call me.
What did they worry that one? Ibiri, see all these fine bottle them. Blessing I drink the inside. Side that one they color like a real gold.
I'm going to go test them later.
The expensive drinks so.
What you concern me? When my sister house will come.
I be VIP girls go give ourselves VIP treatment.
Meanwhile, this travel will travel so a week me. Where their kitchen day because I'm hungry.
Hi, Ibiri. If na me now you go shout for me.
So I say you never dey hungry.
Now why you won't begin to go their kitchen? No go wait.
I'm not tired to pretend. I'm hungry.
What is the problem? What are you doing here? You could have talked to me before bringing them to my house. What is this?
I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. I was at the verge of running out without them, but I can't afford leaving them in the village, alone or by themselves. I was having a strange feeling about it all. And so I decided to bring them alongside with me. Please. I've already spoken to them. They will comport themselves. They will behave. Please. Okay. They can stay at the boys' quarter. Just so they don't cause any problem. But I promise they will not cause you any problem. Please, I just wanted to keep an close eyes on them.
You should have talked to me first, babe. You should have talked to me before bringing them.
I'm sorry. Please. Please.
Both of us know how uncomfortable I am around them. Before bringing them to my house, at least talk to me about it.
I know. Please. Please. They're my only sisters. Please. They're the only family I have left.
Anyway, just take them to the back room. The one with the outside door. I don't want them inside my main building. Biko. I don't want any problem with them. I don't want to cross paths with them. Keep them down, so let them stay there in peace. If they give me any trouble, I'll send them back.
I'll talk to
I don't want them inside the main building.
Yes,
Pico.
I know. I will move them out.
Hey, come. Oh, babies. And the room with this.
What's it that they do for the rooms?
And here, my dad tell me they sleep. Now here, the room with this one.
You Chris. Where they put pig? Now they say that the room with this. When me and my sister go sleep. Call the pig one and put inside, make them come out. Make we feed them.
Wait, oh. So I'm gonna get mind. That is, she's strong mind. Carry us keep for this kind of nonsense place. Some people sleep for here.
Don't show us the real room now.
Babies, now you more than chilling one.
Now here, Amara said waiting. Make we stay.
What do you think the day here?
Amara!
Wait, madam! Babies!
Amara!
Babies!
Amara!
Babies!
Amara!
Babies!
Come out here, come out here.
No, don't close to my madam like that.
Amara, come out here.
What is it? Why are you screaming? Why are you shouting? Are you mad?
Yes, I am mad. I am mad, oh, Ambara, because I've carried all those things I need to do, Shekere. I'm walking along the road. You that is not mad, you that have sense. So you have the mind, with this your black face, you carried it into this your heart and made your heart really black. You took us to that place where they rear dogs and pigs to go and put us there. I mean, do we resemble goats in your eyes?
I don't understand. Are you having amnesia? I thought we talked about this. What was our agreement?
What stupid agreement is that? Hey, no, show us where we signed that nonsense agreement. See, we just keep quiet for you, make you for carry us come jelly. Now when we don't come, you better carry us go better room. Not be that pit toilet where you carry go keep for there for us. If not, me personally, you go see me for your husband bed. Your matrimonial bed, go, and there go sleep.
Somto, are you okay?
No. My sister no dey mad. She not dey mad. What did they worry you, Amara? You carry this your black mind. Go put us for room where they embalm dead body. You dey craze? No, you dey craze. See, as you don't talk and say, we no go sleep well. You no go put us for 5-star. You no give us 5-star treatment. I promise you yourself no go sleep.
At all.
Choose
you
one.
know what? I really do not have time for the SSS right now.
SSS.
I need to...
You said you have this under control. That's what you told me.
Yes. Baby, please, can we just ignore them? We'll deal with this later, please.
Please, tell me how I can ignore this. How can I ignore this kind of loud noise on my door? How do I ignore it? These girls are driving me crazy. Coming to think of it, of what use are your sisters in this house? They are not helping us with anything. Go down to the kitchen, you will see that the kitchen is so messed up. It stinks, for goodness sake. All they know how to do is to go around and make noise and disturb us in this house. They cannot even help with ordinary house chores. What is it? Is it how we're going to be living in this house now?
I'm sorry, please, babe. I will talk to them again. I will keep talking to them. Please.
You better do. You better do. Because I am losing it. I am losing it, my dear. You better talk to your sisters. Please.
I will. I promise.
I don't understand. Why are you girls still sleeping? Wake up. Stand up.
What did happen?
What is going on? Why are you still sleeping by this time?
I don't understand. What did happen?
What do you mean, what is going on? You left everywhere, messed up. My kitchen is all messed up. You ate and you couldn't even wash it off. How can I have grown-up girls like you as younger ones, and you can't even assist with house chores.
As your house helps, I've been waiting. No, you carry us come this city to carry us do house girl work. Because I don't understand you whine.
Need I remind you that I didn't bring you here willingly? You demanded for it. Make yourselves useful.
No, they shout, they just the break. Just the sharp. You didn't even realize na chair will sleep reach day break. See now my neck don't they pay me. Why you dey your bedroom? Open your nyash wide, they sleep on top of your bed. You don't get conscience, so you don't get conscience.
Oh, please shut up. Didn't we provide you with a room? You rejected it. My friend, get up. Get your asses up and get yourself useful. Go clean up my kitchen. You don't get to come down here.
Now your kitchen, go clean your kitchen by yourself.
Just come wake me from
See, if I come back here and meet my kitchen messed
your
up,
kitchen,
you know you can't dream why they dream like this when you wake.
Now your kitchen, no
you
my
know you
own.
can't dream and they dream.
This girl don't get respect.
Can you imagine when she just come
my kitchen. They touch first anyhow. Now your kitchen, go wash plates now.
I don't blame man. I mean carry my 2 left leg come this nonsense.
And my kitchen. I don't even want that. This girl don't really don't. See,
you can't dream.
We need to reset. Wait, first, leave your dream. We need to reset Amara. We need to reset her. Since she can't listen, she's done a buga for us. Which kind of nonsense with this one now? My kitchen.
Sisters na big wala, Debbie wala, Tananaya. Ebelande santochi, sisters na big wala, na biggie wala, Tananaya. This girl collabo is dangerous. Sisters na big wala, biggie wala, Tananaya. Ebelande santochi, sisters na big wala, Debbie wala, Tananaya. Ebelande santochi, sisters na big wala, na biggie wala, Tananaya. This girl collabo is dangerous. Sisters na big wala, biggie wala, Tananaya. These 2 girls are ready to fight you anytime. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi. They are ready to scatter. They don't care at all. Every day fighting, every day wahala. East, west, north and south. Ghana, Bekasi.
No. See, these 2 babies come for this company, I solve problem, up and down, problem. And then let this kind of way these 2 babies they do for this company. And then let come.
In this case, I don't know what to say. In their case, you could wait putilo. What a damn pascaria. Upana neloku, sinana shamano. 2 foolish girls, they don't want to help themselves. They depend on another. Kanda was your way out of the man. The world, they put all their hope on another. The 2 sisters na big wala, actually the 2 sisters na big wala. I think I actually can afford. Hey, the 2 sisters na big wala. They are ninja, they are devil. And then I do something. The 2 sisters na big wala. They are everybody you need. Ebelande santochi, sisters na big wala, na biggie wala, Tananaya. This girl
I don't understand what you worry all these girls. You see, they shut everything. They shut. This year don't voice me. This year don't voice me. How on? Oh, madam. Della.
Yeah, madam. How are you?
I'm fine, madam. Madam, Della, don't be angry. I just small question where I want to ask you.
Yeah, what is it?
Madam, Della, don't be angry. There's 2 babies where I follow me come back that day. It's saying now my sister.
What?
The 2 babies where I follow me from village come back that day where both of us are there for you. He said both of us now with my sister.
Oh, yes. You mean Sumto and Debele?
They
are my sisters. I hope there is no problem.
Wait, it means 2 of us now my sister. Like the same mama, the same papa born us.
Yes. They are my younger ones. What happened?
Madam, the way those 2 babies they do for this company, me I know like come on. They do anyhow for this company. Since when they don't come here, the problem from up and down. I said they do problem. Me I know they like this kind of thing.
You know, it's really quite unfortunate. Sumto and Bele, they've
both be known for their misconduct. But don't worry. I am in charge. I am in control.
Madam Dele, just give me some more chance. Make I show them sugar boys. Make I show them for this compound. And then they like the way they talk to my madam. And then they like well like this thing and then they prefer my body. Then they angry me. Make I show them some more favor.
I will see you.
Let tell them like what thing they do for this compound. I said since when they come for this compound, I said they don't bring problem up and down, problem everywhere. I go show them sugar boys. I go show them favor. This one with this perfect way they see now, they never see anything. I go bring original fanfare, I go fit them for one bomb. That one where I gave you one where they were calling this, I go show up fanfare. When they say, me and him, now they do the same thing. Come on, talk to my mother.
Hey, see paradise. Chineke. Hi.
Again, they come again.
This girl a better witch.
So this girl get mad, carry us keep for inside zoo. Come there for this paradise.
I see myself for ground. Everywhere.
Amara, you are wicked.
Very wicked, Jezebel.
They talk as now no man, they kill man.
They tell you. They say we go help you not stress you.
They say as this place go.
Let's say Hamata will
Let's say
come
she
out.
open window. Hear the window there. What's me that thing when they there?
Hey, now there where this Hamatan they come out from.
Yeah, you sure?
Hey, now you know they say Hi, see the guy. Ooh.
Lock that door. Lock and mount that for the door. Wait. How about the chop food? Okay.
No, we'll chop for now. Enjoy this good life.
Shift. Go inside.
God, thank you.
Hi. Oh, the one I sleep yesterday, I nearly died. Oh, my neck, they pain me. Oh, God, thank you. Anyway.
No better for that.
Who be that one?
You shut tired. I never see anything.
And this guy come on the cash me now on the outside idiots.
How concern? I feel like me break that the door. You see me there. You go carry tipper take to me come out for this room because I am mount here. No leave, no transfer.
You know TV they vex me. Now the mind where Amara take get this for this kind of place. Keep us for inside zoo.
Oh man. Now man now she no go keep man for there. That girl man don't chop her brain.
True, no be her fault. Now cause of man she
tell
does
you,
that thing.
she no even get fat and oil for head again. Sef. Hi. Man.
Anyway. Make she sleep outside, go sleep there. Make she go to the zoo, go sleep.
Hi.
At least by from this place now, we begin think our next line of action.
Yes, now.
Baby girl, my sugar pie. What is it? What is happening?
My sisters again. They're in our room.
What?
I tried talking them out, but they ended up pushing me out.
Wait a minute. You mean Somto and Ebere are in our room?
They're there.
This is unacceptable. This is the height of it. I cannot allow that to happen. Not here. Not in my house. Somto to go. Ebere! Do what I will do with you today. What nonsense? Somto to go. Ebere!
Just enjoy this one first. We'll make them both they make this noise. I won't sleep, I beg.
He like he hand go just break me because he didn't have the door. When he tired, he go come out here. And when we been to say we'll get up for this kind of enjoyment, please come open door for her.
When they go that dungeon, go stay. Or then go sleep for parlor. Nonsense.
Leave this house! Get out of here! Get out!
Amara, you get my staff. They look into your nonsense side.
Get out of here!
For sure, for this house.
Open this gate! I'm not out of this place!
You dey watch. I be dey.
Get him out of this house!
You for your watch. You know you better person. Don't stay there. They look us. When
they maltreat your own man. You get us to the wrong cause.
What nonsense! Come here to torment me after all you did to me in the village! Close that gate! Close it! Close that gate! Lock it properly! Sulema, listen and listen very good. Yes, not in any account open that gate and don't touch this anymore. Nonsense! What is this? You see that? Did you see that? I warned you that this would happen. Have you seen it? You better sort this out. Nonsense!
Come in here, come in. Don't anger me there. Don't anger me. Come in. Don't go away, this guy, I don't get respect for senior. Shake it, wait a minute.
Baby, please. Please. Just let them in, please. It's getting late. I believe they've learned their lessons, please.
They will stay out there until they learn their lesson. I won't let them back inside this house. No matter what they did, they went too far this time around. And they will have to leave my house for me. Why would they be on my matrimonial bed? Huh? That is going too far and I will not allow it. That cannot happen. They will stay out there until further notice or go back to the village from there. Nonsense.
Silas, please. It's true they went too far. They messed up. I am not disputing that. But we've punished them now. Please, if anything should happen to them out there, Silas, I swear I won't be able to live with myself. You know they are the only family I have left. Please, let them just come in. Please, I am begging you. Please.
What impetus? What impetus? What gave them that audacity? They will go to the village from there or sit outside there. I don't even care what happened to them anymore.
Please.
I'm tired of this.
Please.
It's too much now.
Please. I will say, once they come in, I will speak to them. I will talk senses into them and they will comport themselves, I promise. This will never, ever, ever happen again. They've learned their lessons, please. Okay. You see, as they are coming in, they are marching straight to the boys' quarters. Maybe
No.
Simon, please come.
I'm not the cigar. Bring stick, come on. Stick for me. Bring stick, find stick over there. Find stick over. Bring stick. Go. Wait. Find stick before you go. Go find stick.
Come in, go there, please. Come in, you know open this gate. Come in. Angry you.
Suleiman.
Yes, madam.
Open the gate.
Madam, I know if you try and I know open this gate. These babies, they not get respect for my senior elder. I never open them.
Suleiman.
Yes, madam.
It is clear you want to lose your job.
Hey.
Open the gate.
Yes, ma'am. This is my job. Make I get so far from village to go. They go train. Hey. Rescue mission, madam. Rescue mission. Hey. Rescue mission.
Which kind of life be this? See me when I think, say, as we come up for village, come this township, level go change. We're going to live like big girls. You know, go they buga, go even go club, they party, they do things, go even begin to learn how to drive. Something serious. We can't come here, come begin to live like boy. They do house girl work for them. They treat us like say we be slave. Hi! This life no balance.
Ebere, you dey think they go far. My own be say since last night I never sleep. This my eye like this, I no close, I not even one eye, I no sleep. Person wey dem carry us give. Say make she take good care of us. Don't they maltreat us like say we be slaves. Like say we be outcasts, we no be her sisters. Hey! This life, you no balance.
I know say I talk so I go dey think for the two of us. But right now, so my thinking don't finish. My head blank. Nothing dey inside this head again. I don't even know what to think again. I don't tire. I don't know what we go even do because I don't get any single idea right now.
You, maybe the brain box, your head empty, no get idea. What of me? Yeah, na konko. If you hit us, you go konko. I don't even know my left from my right.
I know.
My head burn.
You know, they get yourself right from time. That one we know. You know if you ever get yourself.
Also know because they cost me.
I know now. You just tossing a konko in your head now. You know so you know if you ever get yourself.
As I say, I know if you ever get myself, no because me that. Go hard.
Madam, that lad do not be angry that I'm entering my privacy. See, madam, waiting I see with this my two eyes yesterday, I know that there is big problem. Big problem. Why my two babies know they respect me, madam? Talk to me. I will feel help me. Talk to me, madam.
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know what their problem is or where the problem is coming from. After the death of our parents, I took it upon myself to cater for the family. But then, nothing I do seems to be enough. They do not appreciate it. They feel so entitled. They feel like they are entitled to good life without having to work for it. They believe as the first daughter of the family, I'm meant to lay my life down for them to be happy.
Madam, that is childishness. That is smart babies thinking. Why they go think like that? They not get friends who go feed advise them. Madam, if you don't mind, permit me, let me talk some sense into their brain. Because you say you get small babies, you go come kill yourself before them. Madam, it's not good. Permit me, let me talk some sense into their brain. Forget say them big like this, be like say they don't get complete sense. Make I talk some senses into their head. How about madam? It's not good.
Honestly, Suleiman, I don't even know what to do at this point because I am tired.
Madam, just permit me to talk to them. Let me talk some senses into their brain. Let me talk some senses into their brain so that they go understand I love you. Madam,
I don't know. My sisters are very difficult, but if you think you can talk to them and they would listen, I would appreciate.
Madam, you no good problem. I will talk to them and I believe they will change. Madam.
They are very difficult.
Okay, madam, just give me the permission. Talk to them.
Mama said we must depend on you to survive.
The reason we made us even see us.
Babies.
Wait. No ever call us babies again. My name, Ebere, Sonto. Address us properly.
No get
Continue.
respect.
No problem. Babies and Ebere and everything at the same time. See, if a person tell me so by this time of my age, I'll still dey suffer like this. Well, I no go believe one. I no go believe one. See, make I tell me something. You get my brother, we get plenty money too much. You don't already plan all the as life will be for me. You don't tell me say go carry me go outside country. Make I go study university. Okay. But I don't believe say this thing you know go work. If you say you don't work by now, okay, well later right now if I don't go outside country study university when it's come back, like this I go to work. Everybody go to call me silly one. Well later okay, but life you no gree. You no gree me like that.
Wetin come happen to that your brother? I be stingy like our elder sister.
This one no be stinginess. Na debt. Cut everything short. Debt don't cut my future short like this. If you say my brother still dey alive by this town, by later life for no day for Nigeria with us. By now if we don't dey for outside country, they study university. By now if we don't get certificate of university of outside country, we don't be citizen. But life just cut everything. Death just cut everything short for me. But wait to make her ask me this question. Every time they fight with my sister, and I don't reason and one day say if anything happen to her right now, if she die like this, what thing will happen to me? And I don't think the reason I'm saying if anything happen to my sister right now, and if I don't die like this, what thing will happen to me? And I don't think before. See, make I tell you. For my village, when I age mate, don't date their husband heads. All of them, we don't date their husband heads. Especially you, if we don't born like 5 babies, you now 18 babies is supposed born right now. But they here with the fight your sister for your own husband heads. They fight them. Is it good like that? It's not good now. See, me for my village, I get a small sister like this. And I say a small like this. I don't born 8 babies. Me, I want marry 15 wives. So that I go born 32 wives. 32 babies. And I say I go to work like this. They call me still one everywhere I go. And I say still one. I go to do that. Yes. Now we there. But wait, make when I think if anything happen to my sister right now, what thing when I go do? When I made the shop on the elder sister. See, I'm eldest. But now they shot for them anyhow. It's not good now. When I check them, if anything happen to her right now, that's when I don't do for a flow long.
Your battery.
Your battery. Wait, babe. Are you sure your sisters are still in this compound?
Why would you think so?
Haven't you noticed how silent the place has been? I think you need to check on them and make sure they are still fine.
Yeah. That's right. I mean, it's strange.
Yeah.
I should go check on them and also get my charger.
Please do.
Something. What's be this one? You still carry this your lazy spirit reach here. I don't finish kitchen. Don't even wash toilets this morning. You still there they clean only this small parlor.
Only small, I don't really finish. They calm down. Your blood to the hot.
Clean that place well. You don't get you if you do. You know ever they get yourself.
You better leave me. You don't do your own now. No, heaven no go fall.
Ah, sister.
Adane.
Good morning, oh.
Good morning, oh. Sister, good morning.
Hope you sleep well.
You don't chop.
She can't question be that. She chop for dream.
Hi, no vex now. To say she go don't chop. Sister, what you go like chop? I go make am for you. Toasted bread and tea, I could do one. Noodles, I could do one. Even that way they call spaghetti bolo.
You still sabi pronounce am. That means you no go feed one. See, no chop the noodles, no chop toasted. Just drink the tea. No good.
Okay, please. You guys should tell me. What are you up to? Are you planning to kill my husband and I? Or are you planning to kill me? Just tell me, please. Tell me your plans. I am your sister. Please.
Hey, what is going on? Why we go kill you? Why? Our only sister. No. God no go let you die. Nothing go ever kill you for this life. You go survive for us. You go reach 180 years old. Nothing go happen to you. Sister, the truth be say, we don't realize say we don't do you plenty bad things. And for all the bad things we don't do, you don't trouble your life well. We don't think and say, no good. Not only you will get, now you be our sister. Yes. We go see make we amend our ways. Make we begin to do things right. At least more they help you as you they help us. Finish.
We are sorry, sister.
Blood of Jesus.
If it not be you, in no way that Adamo, there is no one else. If it not be you, in no way that Adadima, there is no one else. Adadima, Adamo.
Chukwudi, let me ask you again, Chukwudi, when did you come back to the village? Huh?
Papa, he dey insult me well. I know they like him. Wait, I dey play music. He dey insult me. I know they like him. If they want take talk to my oga, call him. You know, say never.
Don't tell me that. Chukwudi, what are you doing here? Don't worry, I will call him myself.
Papa, you don't see me finish for this house. I'll call him.
Igala village, Igala city.
No, call him.
Cello?
I'm celloing.
My brother. Good afternoon. Buko, let me ask you. Is it your money that Chukwudi stole? Okay. Or you sent him back from the city so that he will come back to the village? Because here now. It's a... But Chukwudi then one. Hey! Chukwudi then one. Thank you, my brother Cholo. Let me see my son. My son is back. Let me see my son.
Papa, you go be.
You got Cholo. Kevin, I got
you go chop red yam red oil.
Cholo.
Banyo waiting.
Off the motor.
He just see me finish too much.
It's okay.
No,
it's okay. You are welcome. I know you are my true son. Cholo. Let us go inside. But you go do here.
I have fuel.
You have fuel. I know you.
If not say my papa.
Are you sure this is safe to eat? Danny, it's very safe now.
Please, you girls should tell me what it is. Because whatever it is, I will not buy it. I won't.
Sister, no fear, the food is safe. Abi, you want make I test her? Yes, please. You can drink water too. Even the drink,
no. That's what you go do now. You go finish everything. We prepare for them to do something important. Do talk with him, make us.
Make their mind for calm down now. Make the food no waste up. My in-law. Adam name. Make una forgive us. I didn't talk that thing again. To err is human, abi? And to forgive divine. At least I passed that one. I beg from the bottom of our hearts. We dey sorry. We dey very, very sorry. We no go trouble on her again. We just want day useful now to you people, because we be one family now, and our late parents. Biko, Baro, forgive.
Yes. The truth be say, one very wise man asked us one important question. Say, if anything happened to you now, what in both of us go do? We can't think and we're true. If anything happened to you, what do we want to do? Like I tell you before, we're very sorry. We don't realize everything when we don't do. And we know everything we do, they're very bad. So we are sorry for all the wrongs. We don't ready now to make amends. From today henceforth, we go begin to dey live right. We dey do things we we're supposed to do as your sister. We go dey assist you. Anything, even if you shout for us, we no go even talk when you dey talk. We go dey listen to you. Sai, my in-law, thank you for your patience. And I want to say sorry on behalf of my sister Somto and me. I want to say sorry for all the things when we do you. Not as we not get papa and mama again, so at that here, now she can't be our mama. We want me you accept us as your own. At least be the papa one we no get. Make all of us day like one big happy family. I beg. I know say Somto head never still correct.
It's okay. It's okay. This is beautiful. I am happy. I feel so happy hearing this from you. And you know what? Mama and Papa, you'll be smiling wherever they are. And I pray this last. Please promise me.
Ada, you don't need me to promise you. We don't tell you.
As you talk, so it could be forever and ever.
I never talked like this before now.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I have my sisters.
No, everything could be.
Sai? Oh, sorry. In-law.
I just hope you both mean this. I hope it's not a prank.
No, April Stifa.
Never reach. Look on a chop, oh.
Don't do.
Chop food. No, they cry.
Immersive must depend on you to survive. Baby, some touchy. Sisters, na big wala. Daddy wala. Baby, some touchy. Sisters, na big wala. Na biggie wala. This girl collabo is dangerous. Sisters, na big wala. Biggie wala. Baby, some touchy. Sisters, na big wala. Daddy wala. Baby, some touchy. Sisters, na big wala. Na biggie wala. This girl collabo is dangerous. Sisters, na big wala.